Odofo enesoso aye onyame pe ema menu mienu ehia ewo Adom TV dwumedie we eye nkranhye sembre ya me amete dwumedie ho chiame ediam jeso ene Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego mame na asese wapemre na obehwe dwumedie we ewiase nyoma ye nyina no nyina so eba akopɛ enye se Nyankopɔn enye se bonsam enye busua pani ena enye obi okire wade ena enye school akoye ena enye sika wo ana sika woni nyina so ene wu ankasa wutimo po a wodenam. If you want to make your life different, you need first to accept that you've made wrong choices before today. So person wa bra bossa sesa o person wa ware sesa o person uni pesu ene ban sesa ese oji musti say timopo bi wa fa nano no amwa. Admit the choices you made till now that has brought you this far, and then begin to examine these choices and replace them with the choices that will create the difference in your life. What you need to understand is that everything you've become so far was because of a choice, and you can change your current situation by changing the choices you make. Choices are like seeds. Yetimo po ete say aba. So ofa timo po a wo de aba ahye fom. So ofa wo tentimo po. So ofa ahoye timo po. So ofa empo tuhye da timo po. So ofa aniha timo po. So ofa abonfia yo timo po. So ofa hahaha yo timo po a wadua dia wabi na ebeba oso. Ebeso aba amwatwa. Na eya na ofa timo po a ya na ese obi sa say se timo po a me fai. Se me didi juma so be na beba. Would I be happy with the consequences that I will face as a result of the choices I'm making? Wanka onkwa susu obi nhyew fanse bi wa hye ababa wa bi wo yere no ho ababa wa bi o ababa wa nice yo me ko pe no obi nhyew wa dwene mu na ye wo se ababa no nice e bia no ababa wa ka so nice onya nice mu obi enti sa wa dwene mfoni a watwa no nice no ene mama wa fi wo yere chi akopa ababa wa no obi anhyew ena akopa ababa wa no so sebe na ne ko e bibi na nyinsen ba enye obi na hye wo enti abrabo aye bui no timopo bi ebefa no de zonso ba ena ayere be che won so na de ntokwa ba fi a enya ayere na ye eye o timopo ba ko ofa no ripple effect ene ntokwa ba wadi enti ya na ofa timopo a ese won se timopo a ofa no zonso no nya wonko ene baba oso baba nipa bebre so se be aso anapai ana wi a wotie mi ana nyu be a wo bi a wo hwe mi no wa mu na wanim ubu afu ho abrabom wo na wo kura animuna no ne ade wo ho ba nso be ko nipa bebre eso enti abusue ya na ofatimupo a nyewunu se ne abaye bia no ebenya susonso e wo nipa dodo so enti wo ofatimupo a no abisa on se satimupo a me fei sonso ben e beba me so ene woni a ebe me no so se ade a enya bibia nhyewo abrabom se koyo ebia na ekoro no ebia na asisie ebia na ekatasehye ebia na ayantro bi apese wodie obi anhyew se menka nokore obi anhyew se padwumaden na yo ena obi anhyew eye wo timopo ena bama wafa brabo se de etie. You can live a happy and fulfilled life if you want to have it. You can live a destructive life if you want to have it. You can live anyhow as much as you make the choices of life. Timopo we wana hodo mienu e wasane so e ba ko benkum na ba ko nifa enya se sorry na we bibio ade ache mekwa adwuma menko mempe we mempe menum koko menum tea eye nioma egu wadwen post na wo semu an wayi bako menware nsonyu medware nsohye many vegetables medi dokono enioma we nyina ewura wadwen mu ena wo ena be transe ahwe ne ema wo na wo de ofiti ya na afatimupo na wo de ye ne ope so ofatimupo a bisa wo se sabe susanso be na de be ba me so ne one be me so wa sori ne so wo de sede e sori a o susanso wo widie mu ene won ne ben wo ena se wo mu na nso na payi a eno so e wo ne ema e baba wo so nia obefsam yi bia da bia da no e won sunsunso me de mesra ka kire wo se abrabo umuna na opa tabia unya na oma wane je nso na opa unya na de ene se obema wane agye na wanya abrabo wo de otan ebu a eba wo so na wo de odo nso bu a eye ma wo na me de mesere se wo de odo bububra abrabo se wo de abufuo agye ade a to da bia unya saa so na wo de anegye so pa obenya na me de mesere se wo de anegye ebepe sabe wo de nyansa kwan epe ne oma unya sabe wo fa kwasiafo akwan so a unya na mo de mesere wo se penyansa kwan na fa pe de awo pe sabe wo de suahunu de ntiase eka bomu e de awo yo a wo fatimo po a nyina so e suahunu de ntiase so de nyansa adwaro abrabo no obi anya yiye nya obi na obi adi nkan nya obi ne wadi kan ne waye ni nyina so eye timo po a wo faaye esa nyansa suahunu de ntiase na muntu a wotuye nia wadi mu abrabo ayefe eye nia wo samu edina abrabo yoye ya wono mama ya wono de hye obia ya wo yesep e nipa na otimo po de mo osa wo mama na wadi nkunim entina fa konkron ska se o sesa wadwene so ne ma o sesa abrabo. If you renew your mind, you transform your life. In other words, if you renew your choices, you transform your life. So sakra ne ma o samu yi da bia yo no a be sakra abrabo en fam be bia wote abusua ene dey obebubra obeko onwuma so oni nkrofo ko dinkita ho timo poben na ade pie energy wodo ahofama ahohyeso ana okofa ba akono me modi na wo pie a wo de energy pie na wo de ahofama epie na wo de odo ne ahohyeso pie no behunu se wabra bonsu so be wie peyo. So when you are leading life, go and face life with a happy feeling, good feeling. Go and face life with joy. Face life with a lot of self-control, and face life with a lot of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. That tibiano, abrabo ebekoyi. Ahana me pese me jawo what I say. Na me the way jawo na me catch that say. Watching so besa ba wonfie mu eno abedi nkomo. Na mada say ene dey wo fatimo po a edin so papa bebre wo ne woni ebubra. Wo fatimo po ya dwumaden, wo fatimo po aya ne safata. Wo fatimo po aya ne enam wodo pepepe yoso enia eho twa na eho te ne tre na ekwa so. Say timo po a wo fa enti no. Say de tie bia wabrabo ebekoyi. Aha na meja wo. Uma me na Adom TV dwumafo nyina se efi camera, sound. Na me na MCR for ne lighting ne floor manager ase. Krakra me da me producer Priscilla ase. Wo a wo hwe me so no, wo ni onyamentina. Enya fide ni mfiri ha na badwumadwumade no ekoso anesa. Makrao.
Yeti nkranhye sam wie ne de aduru so no yen kase bu edi nkan ene de nsem no de obetie bi ene se empanimfo hwe school placement system so wochire mu asesi adesuafo wanya baabi amfa wo ho ankohye no be yo ha mu nchemu de wotwe de waso wo mo hawa no sanso anagrat empanimfo enso kyerese akyerefo empanimfo asesi wo ho aba asem be du ba kono wo mo ane pena abasa na ye wo mo eya pa sanso ena po yamantam wo no aban yi de nsem atudwa kyerese amamwo we no amo mahu akwan papapa ewa poye mantem no emu na yebekwa ade pam so wonsa de pam ye dwumade ade asi hono mo a wo mo wonsa no dwuma pam ade no ye mo akwanya no ma kire wo mani so na ebekwa hafoma ntem ntete yesonko akoso wo we ni nsem ahodo bi anam de so mo se bedwam so kase DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook ne Adom TV extra wo hia me a ya freme anochi wa ba ajwase wa finche mo no me de to so amaw efri bra BC yadusuafo wo mo ensohwe awokotre ne ba bonte ne ho akohia se wo konto aso suku ahodo emu na dodo no a school placement system no wanya ba bi ana ne senti empanimfo si epono epa obi aya obetumi akọ na abatan ne adesuafo wanya bebi obekọ school no wakoye nsachre bi won so bebi onya ne kwan wa omama ne dey ne nyina wo so okọ no kodi ho dwuma na eno no na afresika ya wono eye deputy national coordinator ema free senior high school chesa adesuafo no be ye hamu nchemu aduo wotwe kwa aduo kron 80 to 90% wo mo how de waso ano
na coordinator Emma Free Senior High School Secretary Nana Afrasika Mensa ene Adom News Central for twetwen komono wode atodwa se wone ne manfo abono modern etimi aboa ama be 80 to 90% ana sese womo enya sukuu mu kwan eye first year esukufo ewo man emu anina wose secretariat no enam ni resolution centers awodo so enya issues by 10,000 na we nina eye sukuu a na womo enya sukuu ane womo nso a na womo epe se womo esisa wono esukuu bebi ewo edemom wachire mu se anamonto a womo tu no eyade a eko nenim pa enu ntino awofo no enya abotre na wonhwe se wona womo aka no womo de nhihye ebegu akwam na womo nso no womo mamo etimi enya sukuu ibi akọ
10,000 and over, but I think you are resolving close to 80 to 90% of issues now. Yenya challenges kakra, but you are resolving into more issues in the your hard-working team out there. Juma day and night, so I'm very resolving issues now. We say what the system here Juma BBA to me I then SC so. Omunya botena ye ni be resolving nyina mom this week amankra no ajoin omonkrofo e wo school bia say when your admission so when your placement akona kwaje admission e wo school say ano you don't who here say obe travel all the way from baby awo but online application or schools ni bebre wo online portal obetumi aye registration a print prospectus ni bibia no so obetumi akọ school akwaje admission so that you go through the orientation and then registration process.
Titinani ma achechefo nkabuko ba ko National Association of Graduate Teachers etwenity ase na grad eyo panyi Angel Kabuno no chemu a achechefo mpanimfo du ba ko ya wo ho abasem se oh my God na ban no wo mo krata hodo ne ma wasa adisuafo etoko school ba bonten no wo mo fa che ton ne ma hodo bi ani sa krata no so ama wono mo a wo meko school no de no panyi ni che se de ye ko ne de ntwa yie kura sanse achechefo mpanimfo de na wase wo ya ne se wodi aban enhyehye ye so ne ma hodo bi aban no nka asem nto no e wose wotwe wo ho firi ho na wantwe wo ho firi ho nti e na akofa sa nim guase yi abre wo no
ho and I house of what you will be very disappointed. You are very disappointed because you see say BBC suku bina one kasa one kumu ankwankonye investigation now one take care the case by case no na ude information be to public to say ebia nipa no ayem from so because yeah kan headmaster na headmistress ni din at the public headmaster na headmistress ya discussing or radio so television so ebusianfo aye there worry ni bibia ni din ni pictures ni bibia at the public ma headmaster bi enye enkotina radio so nkan so sikana ese abandi bano aban fan buy sa headmaster so banyasa why you know say a true say sikana ese eba no enyam buy ana ambantem ana e buy enso no sikana ese eba no amba we all know one say see de menhu ne say aban e force so amongfo be mu say o me dey free senior high school buy no awofo antua kapre against reality na ewo school mu ho I say you solve it on daily basis. These two things are in conflict. But let me tell you, headmasters need headmistress be brave or we need J because running the schools these days are very, very difficult. Your rations are set a year, but the way it is going, it is not to the benefit of education. Now me after ene say me yeti say headmaster B as a charge BB or the initiative power my interdicting no yen be joining Ghana Education Service no
to push that headmaster out after today. Nia ekosui.
Yemfi won yenkwa ahoden de ensem emo Dr. Kwabena Donko de ensem bi betudwa e kire se opanyine boache agya kon na no ada enkrata bi na wo se wosensan se wo hwa ahoden de ensem so no wa manani yankọ ho ye na ode ne nsa sha se wi asese deadment debt e kaya abeda aban so enye sikakuma na wa bra asem ne ba ye no wa na boache agya kon so sansam yi ene e waka so so mu enye ye ono so betutu bi e de mane Dr. Kwabena Donko na se Dr. Kwabena Donko asa ba bonche kire se sansam no kan ye no owonyina so nim de ntia ode sansam ne tuja
kane soafo a ono ana na ehwe enyinemu ahoden ensem so organa ha ewo NDC amanyoko no emre bi atwam no Dr. Kwabena Donko ede nsem bi ebetudwa ede fa kane soafo a ono nso ehwe enyinemu ahoden ewonsem so ewo MPP amanyoko no emu boache jako ekwan bi ofa so ekosan enkrata ede ma oman Ghana asisi ama eka amene oman na abrofo kasem yeka no judgment debt.
What were my comments that Minister Ajakon finds irresponsible and unfortunate? They were and still are: one, that the wrongful and illegal termination of the GPGC power purchase agreement has brought untold hardship to the Ghanaian citizen. Two, that the minister who signed the letter of termination, Honorable Boache Agyakong, has a responsibility of trust to explain to Ghanaians why he chose the option of termination when he had available in his armory other mechanisms such as delaying the commercial operating date, staggering the completion date, among others.
Dr. Kwabena Donko edi tudwa se enhihye ya kane soafo yi eye edefa PPA no eyade a na emwa oman Ghana kra.
The Ghanaian people are saddled with a debt of over $160 million arising out of a letter of termination you signed. Unless you were ordered to sign contrary to your good conscience, you cannot be exempted from being asked by the good people of True East and of Ghana about the laws. Calling me irresponsible does not obliterate the fact that an international arbitration panel found your handling of the termination wrongful. While I have great admiration for you as a person and as a banker, your handling of the termination left much to be desired.
Yemfi yo my Ghana marche bedwafie ne nko eyepoye mantem no ne soafo Honorable Seth Kwame Echampon wo se epoye mantem afi mu no na hwemu a 991.4 kilometers eye kwan a na wapoye mantem ehiansiesie na ben ya bode homode di mu 529.7 kilometers e na ama contract yo betumi akase sa 529.7 no se mu 299.19 de wo mo aye wie November bosumi ate won se afi ho kire se aban ni aban ye oba poye mantem akwan papa wo mwenye bi pa
asset Kwame Echampon editor just say mantem ni munku asese wo ba brofo kwansini kwan aduanan ba ko akiri po aduosia ba ko 41.61 kilometers en wayi e wo hono a etwafa New Japan South and North mensini mu nyina na wo hye kwan so benya sika na kofori ade kosi manfe ene kofori ade kosi suhum kwan no obesiesie ni yi ama omanfo
se ye kase ba ye popo kofori mu a ye asfalto vale se ye miam ya bebre ya wo ko dwabe fufu wetifia ye figase de asokore ni ye oyokususu a ya hyase a wo susu ye yo akran ho mani kasem ne se ni nyina no ye aban wan ya wo fa so pese e kopo no susu adanso na ejina na na so se opon ni nyina e hyehyɛ pa a ba dia man e wa kwan bebre susu a ehia e wo se ehwɛ ni eyo ye ni peni e dia to peni ni
na nso osan kire mu se kwanhie si e wo mantem no no ya na ha no ne senti oni kwan so jojo mpanimfo ehwɛ hyehyɛ ya wo bɛyɛ se bɛyɛ nkwanhia so bɛte e wo poye mantem mu
ni abusumia edika no bɛtoma abusumi du bunkunta nipa ehwere wo mu ye fika akwache mu kwan ya ahasa ni aduanan na ka akwache si afi sabre na mususu eye apem ene ahanu aduonu nan na saa apemni ahanu dinu na ye kire enipa ebraye eye empemnienu ene ahenan ediosunnan na di eye nkontobo etuda esanse se ye de tunsani ani a afra se ene afi na yehwe afi de wo mu se yahwere akra ne enkwan do de nanso na eye esene afra se de
Yanko Public Utilities Regulatory Commission, the PURC, no, Wadom Akache, na database management system phase 2, no one more power tomorrow and crack Puma. Was it about a year and say, share one more, a ton of buying so one more to, one more ton in a mahmoud, one more to, and your more far bear for 10 and feed the council or medicine, Jumano, Sebe Yombe, who or man for the dueto, one more do Juma, or motor aided, another door send a science or motor for, and answer or more and simply Sabine complaints and would be a what their fasa bear for 10 and feed the council busa, Sabi and Penny for who said the PRC you be would win in our aircraft.
Database management system. Public Utilities Regulatory Commission for the Bay, a film Pirinea Dunobacco and what the buy. Na sa fidie eboa, emo boaboa, any padodo and womudin sawaswano, Eshaniama water on the bow, a hawa home, any day was a yaward, eboan ye. Say, was a some manicon anymore. PURC Tresse, a babua, a majuma warrior, etimiako wano. Executive Secretary, Yawoda PURC, ano a Dr. Ishmael Aka.
Who submit to complain uswa iunya the bronifer no identification number there be an ultimate deba ebe treso me the complain we by me number ni ahwe a resolve amount nti aboa ma complain ultimate complain easy and I to so resolve it quickly so now na phase 2 no the person and say ye link your system no to the system of utilities no na pembebre no utilities at the data brain no mo de ba aye ne kwan bia ye fa so hwe say data no kra ba no sabio no kra ana sa sanity ono ye ba ko at times so say data no say ba e bia matcha ugban say bia 2 weeks later na ba
sa ba fu dwumadie African Development Bank enam Korean African Cooperation Trust Fund so eboa wo hye kwan say eka adwumako ni bo nyina no obehye no wateso country manager woda AFDB ano Jerusalem Fasika eni Adom kase etwetwe enkomo
project that was a project amounting about $38 million. We also work together with the Ministry of Energy as an implementing entity of the project. This project has also enabled to increase access to reliable and quality of electricity services. So briefly, this is what the bank is doing. Our country strategy is ending this year.
Yena PURC phone semis for Badwam so kasi am de so manopeno me fa de nyina CFA DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 wuhia me a eya frame anoche wa ba ajwa se wa ye twa ye ho aba ye ba de obonkrata pensempense mu online portal ne so nsam ebeto so. Well, a brana song say ye de obonkrata ne pensempense mu ye online portal and some ahudu egusu no ye bie wani wo ho na osra no pa bia me se ebeye ya so na babonten na obi ebusa do yekoso wo memu na onimu na sa wanko adomonline.com okwa bibia ya kyeregu ho enti be sure ye bobo so ma no wawram na wo hu story no ida ho no wakenkan ate ase na wo ka Ghana no se ye nya se expectators no na ye nyina ye nya adwuma no na nya fefefe na sa so na wo mu akwa asonwaye no wo mu aba income say waba kwese de wa pocket a bibia ye fine bibia ye nice pa enti no o man se kwa cha ida no
oh mejo so ma menchia ona aja apia stadium so nkra me kom krebu ya me dia ma
apia stadium
dia chia no pay
ye chia no
apia ma chia o de o kan no maka de o si me mane hwe no mama na hwe yes I'm real film say me forward dia ma no enti na me say bi abesa ka say no forward dia ma no forward me forward dia ma no pay ya ibia e kama
on fa bomumra ene hia
on fa momun so
yes
okay all right say bonya bosu nya
yes
enu ameko sunyane e Tony Bennett wona o ma me nkraman enketo ane 4
ye ne waku zakrama ne board
me de o maba abeka 11 no ntia 14 menye aboa ye besi efi next week ko Maza.
Which you meet a few hours.
No mini problem. Oh, so be a baby and medical catch and yemi how me found me
man you do any pia mama.
Soft quachi, my can't we'd walk across man can't show soft quachi, one your friend a year PR, soft quachi as a man. Dodona himself. Diamono, Diamono, more swimming, more him and Amono as I'm making you. Or no now call region be no can you walk. I don't cry any issue.
Every district.
Yeah, I don't know our my enum.
Yes.
Who choose between Obuasi, Sankore, South Africa, a Sujamai, and Afi, a year Medina. Many problem. And you don't quite a Mebeka. But so be whom now when you're from the walk.
Now you say anything.
What do you need to say?
Yes.
It also sample doing the Papa. Hey,
Pierre,
and also sample doing the
yes. Yeah, candy.
Oh, I see.
And you know, I'm going to say,
and you
one I want your money because you're saying him.
Hey, when you're cassette, I was going to
it's a man, and I want your money, and I want you because of my bad original one, Uncle Sanyam. Yes,
I see. Okay, so yeah, the money that was the Pierre only the chair. We all remember smoking catcher on. Maybe they're catching. Oh, yeah, they're catching here. Could have you. It you know maybe to me a cat said of chief kaya or shaming crying of chief name a casa be bringing now.
Oh, chiefs in a home.
Oh, so
hey,
or catching police.
Hey, the woman is beautiful.
So chief ya chow.
That's why your friend asked me, hey, so for say,
oh, taste.
Hey, so for taste.
Now, as you got for shall have you most supposed to
say, I'm saying, was my brother shall have you.
No,
so for chief, I also shall have you.
Ah, I see, Boya Bush, you went to me, see,
I need 2 sisters.
Boya Bush, me, I see, we say the entry to see, I have a course of
260.
My camera down for your in Pabo, Kumasi, without slippers away. It was Pijam Kaka, Kwananka 80 and 70. I mean, or the call 150 Hey, would you see? I would take to be missing baby.
Say so the 80 come home.
The 80 come on, I don't
first, and I can you too.
First, because the way they walk you, remember about 8 at all. 80 nights, I'm saying, you with my 100. That's my guide. Yes, my 20. Because that. That I say 150. Okay, no problem. Uncle, I said we've been to the home. Uncle school, my bada. Emma, Uncle Sian, because down. Schools I can see. No, maybe Baba Coco. Do a Jimmy first maintenance, baby. The show washroom super. Go super. Super. Prospect.
It's true. Now you must show.
Militico the coin. Oh, yeah, that's our cover. Yeah, couldn't scoop pay no person could jam, but maybe you should go on. Charles Cacao. December, no one actually cries out to mystery.
Yes.
On to be a catcher say, oh, Yamedi Chawa, a film, a very important. It is 16th of December, on the National Theatre. 9 lessons and the carols and bro.
Yes.
Adom TV. Yani kuma would for a car boom. Eden she share kama say eh bro. Oh sri usnya de. No asafa yon ko from kokra e wo no. Miti e marry fi 16th of December on National Theatre.
Memende ya.
Memende de
7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Kuma with my tickets no online.
And then that's for fake Adom to phone the bibri. E marry fi say e for kofu ya mecho mo de na nsi o mo say menadi multimedia kwan. The last time I checked Moba Jimmy Quanta, dear cry, and I'm with the bay edge. Now, me, I make sure my dear, the moment say, me more happy. It's the moment, me could let you know, we make sure. So we make sure what David only go, yeah, Uncle Quanta, Mamma. So we make sure, me cake was in the stage. Mamma found my crying for me. Ayo, by him, I miss you, him, oh, my grandmother, and friend, ya go cry. Just
what you call him,
Amma, what's me?
Hey,
yeah, one Kumasi. I'm a kum. Hey, I suppose it's what you bring. But I'm coming cat as well. Oh, yeah, I'm telling you, comedy Kumasi presented 28 December, say comedy birthday. Okay. Who are sentimental memory? Now also caution the Koboni Chidam, Wabua Ghana, Wabua sentimental. And some of the Bokan, they bring my home crime. I'm casting a Quada. December, that also do me answer. Edumiensa. District level elections, your vote is your power. Is it no matter something you move for Biawa? Mention them soon, Assemblyman for the guy.
Oh yeah,
they say Assemblyman for the zoo. Beshe nanu sunyani me mania bra me jona ko oni se me fish ya no aba no ka odwana no me ba me de gota beti me yi ki o se fo
MP kura so onye kwan
na be say hey
Assemblyman so be
kwan me free am se odi ko ka je ko Assemblyman for on poster sa sofo
oh yeah omo bo adwuma
Assemblyman for no
so mo na ye honorables no
oh
yeah
me say me twa me say honorable but honorable ko twa me say
assembly member yeah
Assemblyman for
yes honorable omo na di honorable
mo me enkoto potem puntu mo enkoto aba no mo ma enkoto because obi won ma watena assembly akonya so e ko be 20 years ye hu bihwe potem bo
bibia nkoso
de obo no mo de mo say team no so no san to aso nwuram na mo me ninji assembly adwuma no ho very important eno ne fapem eba kemamika bia mamu no eni puntu na e fapem pa ne assembly adwuma no assembly adwuma ne nimbro no ewo kro ewom ne nipa ewom how ewom ne sa ne monument is very important
no my yanka mo say the member of parliament represent your constituency with parliament assembly members ko MC and now district level how represent the electoral area and fa serious.
Okay, so in some of the work online stories what does he want the press to do for him? I going to na Ebusa special prosecutor. Who share him as special prosecutor in Sembibra, but of particular interest here, Era Free Enterprise. Who's the iron rods nano dana Sembibra no bua fasuna a 2 hour dodgy when Triana why say papa no me say say Eradia tinanima channel kwanson koso yoku phone hwe mu nyina wi no ne ho son boni bia nsesa emfra no ne ho son ko otete ha na ne di ne ya se na ya che bi intwato so ne asem no
integrity
intwato so eya enti misre enemu ana mo sa adwini nyina Ghana so obi e kosoro enye koke okuni ba eskedu wakwesi wawia enti misre mo yankasa saa keke na uni wi akowia bi ne we
da fomu akofa
se koke no di adwuma ko so ko koke ne we
se da fomu a
so ati wan kasa no bo wa wo bra emo ani nkobro bi de bi adam se oti pupu a obi di ule na odim na ye o se le no emunye de no obi nya saa le no abedim timisrewa ni edin se ye no so doso ye hu ye kra na ye ka bosremka ye de befo a so sisi nyame adom ke ofo CEO graphic animal say ya exonerating yoko for exonerating and animal so mampan na dan ku for no kani abaso body abonya free UPS e no so e wan say lithium hon komo no e doso obia gusu checha de bi na forma gudie we eni kwan say kosa atrasa keke e say Ghana e chefa enyom no nipa dodo na e wo man no so munya ho mfaso san komo no gusu a ade e koso we de Alexi Bomb o ye do say enkasa no say kidi so ya do de enkasa pia e haje the find the car baso body no wasem boko na abanso Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumiatum afi Speaker of Parliament so o say office of the special prosecutor is and I'm on to be 2 years we dey share bibia sanwa the inquisitor so say give OSP bad name and hang it more documents to be leaked to create disaffection for Kisia Jabin, and Napo has no hand in lithium deal. And also one the Ghanaian Times, Boko chieftaincy conflict, and so any chefa one say would be back.
Well, your online portal said they be much one LGBT bill not necessarily seeking to imprison people. Okay, then I am common record so much bedroom. No more ya so chain, you know, see any so chain of Phantom Chanyansa. No mudu crata fair to do you no more can so chain as a crata fair to online. In fact, okay, online portal so adomonline.com, myjoyonline.com, then I benya munchim. We are bringing tea a corner Kaisa we can see it was to bedroom suni.
The profiki wala sa good catch back up and a messing kunyana me kono kwanten kode small do sa kana no pensu e wo Ghana goodiem eja chene so mame sa kingdom heba any kingdom home estate o mo na etechira bo me dwumedi yetimi ejaw Kingdom Garlic Bitters ne Kingdom Garlic Capsules no dia ba fisabre immune system no atoba ha setimi cancer do bi betiansa boa ema yade wa hodo nyina wetiansa property na boa ma system no so yetimi akoyi dia ma low blood pressure na tete cholesterol na fe so reduce sugar level no esa reduce fat level o mojenim yade new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules aba memedro ma sanka bi no so betia boa recommended for sexual weakness waist pains na fe mental stress na fe so e produce extra energy betia boa ema ne ema etia koyi ediama o modern da se onsa betia kan new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules abranti bia ne epoma no afi tremendous capsules so honum ema na candidates so ifita na so di po na chon satimi ka bia eno so ebetimi abo na fe Kingdom Home Estate wo mo e quality modern and affordable home estate na ba but more than that, say on a Kingdom from paying for between settings also a few seconds drive from the roadside. Not food we need to search him our environmental team sample when it can standard of security no suit team sample our high. And no problem electricity in them can hear hold na fake standby generator so pipe need the about our more than that say we Kingdom Home Estate not for paying for between settings also Kingdom Home Estate near the can say what a few minutes drive now we need to a botanical gardens work with any so there but if force Safari Valley Resort to home in no san ekotete kwashi Memorial Hospital no so betia senya hyehyɛ betia boa emaniama etia koyi ediama ekropon right after Lete Junction on Sabeka Kingdom Home Estate na afọ akopɛdan papa bi te oti abuchira na se oti krum ha de bomodin da opɛdan papa tia sa atode a Kingdom Home Estate omo any the latest buildings amudi aba na se any campa Kingdom se ukọ eyo kan hia on Sabetia kan Kingdom Herbal Center na onempemfo atwenkumo honum ubetimi afom 053-614-9961 na on Kingdom Home Estate phone paying for yentwetwe enkumo ka Kingdom a was no challenger omo atachiri pa and then no pay yede enkumo no so 18 say game park games and so the eagerly anticipated epic one game net saba arrival with the bank but more than that we choose from 1 to 36 now we stay ready for the excitement no now we stay here 1 Ghana cedi san kopem 350 Ghana cedi so betimi wini 6 times 26 times we stake no epic one game no and am dey one dance ejao o dial star 946# all networks will betimi dey one gym o call gameparkgames.com so sabiti account o hwe draw no e wa Adom TV so 9 a.m. 12 noon and after so 6 p.m. daily and at 8 p.m. Saba so fee adwada en kopem kwase da modern da so de betimi sa gym na wasesa osika dwete wonsem na aboama niama akwede ma game park games osem more mula more power omo techiri pass game way regulated by the National Lottery Authority uni mu fingo twen fam nyim obo so ana ode adwene kakra tian san to isan se chacha diwa wadwene ebetia bomutri betia hyehye wani sukra ebetimi apunu so a chese be ha wadwene pantim self na ode adwene kakra enso etimi asa atum Kansas Center paso MFF UEFA Champions League no no Manchester will return PM no Manchester United wo transfer Bayern etwom 1-0 ewa Kinskesi etwensa to Jonafe Sevilla no so etwensa transfer Len etwom 2-1 ewo Omakensin PSV wo any Arsenal ebo 1-1 ewa Kensin na Fiboni akoma na hwagro Indeed, and then so yes, and to awareness of fishes and also between Sepima. There's a Celtic and a final basis a kind of Dortmund, any PSG, the case in the between boss Newcastle, any AC Milan basis a Leipzig, any young boys at the boss now for Red Star Belgrade, one more any Man City in the Division. Now for Royal Antwerp near Barcelona 4 and on their case in the between boss into way a Netflix at the between PM UEFA Champions League in the song. Mamma Adom 106.3 FM Asempa 94.7 FM radio snow, and then you may best in na ya transia nesa ba no twena match ni 20% of him so ya na wadwani personal free conversations no esa to so online platforms no ko Facebook a wo sen komo no ho na also de ho atuansa gimu bikama we a UEFA League champion no sena niama ACA course de ma championship a and also 18 champion no afi yentintom ewo the ranking member of the sports committee of parliament honorable Komna Mensa women and also a colon Ghanaian say in change attitude towards women's football na yen sakra adwene ebetian sabwa ema ye create better opportunity for investing more ewo nation no ema mu na no so betian sabwa mama no etimi atumpon
and in front of the Stretford end.
Their qualification this time around has brought a lot to the fore. I was saying, I agree myself. They change your ways so that we can always also give them all the moral and then the energy and also support our here to give us the laurels, to give us the energy or saying which is missing for now with regards to our male counterparts. We share the way these girls or ladies went into this game. You could see some tenacity. I mean, there's some will be focus be GBB. There's some business like it be play more. It's the country Wangasa. So the country first, and then one Wangasa, because when the country rides high, automatically Wangasa so many they needed push. The leadership and also the technical team. I think this lady has brought in something unique, which we all must find out. What did she bring into the technical handling of the Black Queens? The Nora lady appears very focused. Even the way, what means or the understanding of football, where talent and readiness to die for a country, and in addition, Wangasa benefiting in the end. Their qualification this time around has brought a lot to the
Emma football honorable member of the sports committee for parliament Kobna Mensa Uyume and other Sankumo Kase so it turns out to the fast and Nema AC Echo Ediama football. But Yeba a maintain so football na Kachaba, the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana, former coach Siki Akono, Charles Kobna Akono, when Nkumoka Kretu and Saba say Sabri Paddy near Uzu say Chris Hutton or Blasters coach na so very uncomfortable when you die is a media na start say you born you media within to crew na eno when you bere pa na abade amano no na obese say amanfo enhwe na omunkoso anya traso no mu obetia ya adwuma no is a care corner former Blasters coach no open until otese na air bash na etin san ba na otimi san pa hyehye ekeka so ntino osre say ebetin senya plan ebetin aboa madam kwa bia nema akoyi e de ama the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana yenko 2023 African Games local organizing committee chairman no Dr. Kwakufu Suasare on nkomo akra ba samon for say eyebo team and facilities no legon de nya dade nya de obetin awie but osansi studio asinyame adoma bosumi we e December be kono wie no na yawie na ready for the competition.
With about a month or so to go, I'm sure the contractors will be able to complete. I mean, you were in Botiman. You saw the transformation. You've been to Botiman before. What you saw today, what does it tell you? It tells you that we've come very far, and they are committed. They're working day and night, working around the clock, and they have assured us that come end of December, they're going to hand over the facilities to us. The same thing applies to Concert over here and Mawums where we're standing, and they'll be handing over the facilities to us, and we'll use January and February to carry out the test. We'll be working in collaboration with the federation heads and the confederation heads to carry out some competitions and events to test the facilities. And we have every belief that whatever defects that may arise, we'll be able to correct them. And come 8th of March, we'll have the opening ceremony at the University of Ghana Stadium, and we will also hold the games and host one of the best games ever in the history of the tournament.
Nti na se Dr. Kwakufu Suasare local organizing committee chairman at the 2023 African Games Accra 2023 ana yebefre no eni timisrew on sifi sabre ko dia manfonya reshim enkopem December wie die ancha ya crossover 31st ni die na bibia atuansa ko kama e wasanhye sunkunum ne miso sisi apa ne se yo niama I organizing competitions like this international competitions see betiansa boa chese ohwe data yede updates no sa facility in Ghana yenya bida na yenya bi nso ye ntino after see facility na wie no games ne course results ne scores betin sepim online ama mafo wa chichine benche so etinsenya bi etimi asa ahwe no be de ne kakra e we dwumedi aguso edim tiname adoma ye don ko betin aba yenko Songo stake Patrick Osajman Kantima Songo online so hello Songo
Professor Mofa.
Yes sir bibia bo kodia yenkwe
Fantastic morning. Papa no original kika political talk. Uvize and everything will be okay by December. We'll hand over. We'll make sure blah blah blah. Muvize and Kura. You know my baby. You hand over. Basa papa. We are not. We are young crowd. Original political talk. Na people are saying people. Who are the people? It's the fireman. What you are saying? Fire for fire. Multimedia. Professor yourself. What you say as a sports money issue. Any general woman so yes say facilities no December no by December no. Most of them hand over no. Na international standards. Professional. International. Utim say yes say painting. In Zuto ya na a wash away. You understand? I mean, local organizing committee or no chairman or make sure say. Transportation, accommodation, feeding, no money is organizing. So more organizing here. I just say facilities for what are you organizing for? When there are no facilities. Facilities no see say BBI improvement in the course no the course. But man, at the end of course 70% now can you can declare. By the end of the day, we go to and you of that international standards. A normal omudi baby CSC stadium wall, omukoto free hefa, omukoto free krubeso. You understand? Oba legon stadium wa tartan tracks to my. Ebe seen the tartan tracks I am fixing ni ya test ya. But now you have to finish infrastructure facilities ni water na you making sure say you test it so that we beat competition. Sportsmen and women, campaign. How many medals any target to see in Sabeka? Oh, your all African Games, or facilities in here ready. Or you athletes crown call campaign. They should be serious and stop Kasa anyhow, and any taxpayers money now. A person who more the Enya or more chefanas or more benefiting more than so much by Juma. That is what Oman also more no more yet. But man, more of the games, are more declared 70% complete, At the end, just 70% complete, 70% complete. And why more games? Games, what can deal with fire burn them. We will keep them on their toes. I'm very sorry about me. Yes, 100 days. 100 days in a soon take a new somewhere say 92 say 91. Mammy friend, you see, my blasters. Mammy blasters. Oh, papa, a log for penny in the Menavy. Now you knew it so. We'll put them on their toes in a professional way. Omunya cheap talk no. Now you say facilities in the Moody's Cana Yajumapa. Abana facilities, papa. You get tournament and so expect maintenance coach at the Yajuma. Yes, we are not facilities now. We win nachi. Now I come to the blasters. On the Siki, I couldn't crack us here, win, and I said, no, was Rekakla. Oh, you understand? But you perceive when 41 years into me winning. Say, situation a woman here. Coach Chris, you and you see you win the coaching. You win the coaching. Now, if we so-called football people can't more, pay coaching. Decide to say coaching do on Yadi, the number. A buy no ministry said, pay coach for flow. This is the problem. So, we jai can't more, so-called football people say, ya pam coach Chris Hilton, coach no Mokako for trainer scout. What I say? I mean, including woman now, the school members, Randy Abbey, the champ. Woman Nana, Omu Siki Apollo Fido, Omokofa, Milovan, Milo, and winning match back Ukrawa Afcon. And then Guasia Kaye. Milo call you Musakofa trainer scout on a so called real World Cup. And on a so called. You understand? And Omokofa Chris Hilton. More now a government, one Gabi, and I just say, or what Bermuti, more than a government, and we see Chris Hilton, and a cat in a sort of a penny. And as I say, woman who's a coach, we have a Ghana for who, and yes, woman, one who Ghana for do who say Chris Hilton. On to me, yes, she will have come with blasters. So we should get him out. But getting him, getting out, this is a problem. Selfish interest, greediness. Omo greedy, omani brad they are greedy bastards. Selfishness, greediness. On mini or mine, on mini supporters. Ghana, from the president to the last Libra. Say a Ghana Japadi. Etienne, me pam Chrisutino, me kofa coach, our corrector. Ghana for be Gina dia, me kuran meet me influence coach. No, meet me cast for player away for player. A band of football people say, here, now, pet Chrisutino, Oma catch the ministry. Now, ministry is also inside tight, especially sports minister. No, ne boss. Gabi amana juma here as sports minister will grow in. Where they can say the coach one penal. Situation a woman here, politicians and administrators, the ordinary Ghana for supporters, but rather benefiter, benya and gene. Politician could a coach. Every football people know football so. Omususu kuta power it omu selection omu coach omu de selection e blaster send e be omu ton omu players no omu nyeska your mind Ghana plan you omu dey blasters ni yi blasters are your free players based on merit blasters are your coach based on merit e dey atime afcon we ye dey Chrisutino no kwa e danger ye ho be kire ye be gu ye ho animase ni coach yame hu on team coach blasters ye or Afcon. Changing him no here good coach. Say omu visa time kwa me tournament ko sukura utimi pam coach efa coach for Flomane be Jacob. Tournament ko sukura utimi pam coach a wonya ade efa coach enyo ni na prepare team no club ubitimi the team na Jacob and I said to finals. Etimi di amra no ekwo batenko ma me sa Munfa sports ministry or minister ni Munfa 3 top Ghanaian coaches are in Momo. 3 top Ghanaian coaches, at least Omo a feel of the ball, Omabo blasters, Libida, Akrana, Omu coaches. Ombe na Omufano Omukoshia, President Kufuado, no woman tenasi, no contract as him, and no Munkasa. Near signing Omu Rose, no Munko. 3 coaches munko blasters sa Afcon we mon fayan koko di buamra enye sa ye fa top coach ani ye fa top coach preko en obi aso top coach and top manager obi ahu se see assistants now Ghana for na mpew enye ket mo en mpe coach di ket mo ne de wo mu interest coach we kwa no masa akwa fa trainer scout because ya mo chance Oyi siki akono fi okofa Milovan wan she match baako kra wa Afcon ni egu ye ho animase owi okofa trainer scout wono so World Cup ya hwe poto ye ne Dallas ohun ni changes kra no ho selection utimi say football people yes selection man no so ay selection etu dressing room ya confused now trainer scout na fi hoko isi utini so a dressing room current blasters dressing room lose o fair players are the same players just when you could be a scouting papa free players. I change the blaster system now me say Ghana your talent. Because across the football people move free players and also free players. Coach when you could do unji unni say una ye penini unni mo adwuma ya mo adwuma umu be influence. Et the Chrisutino dey also occur. But kono okono and also Ghana for the deciding next coach. Kono okono yes. FF wono any the blasters amu football to mu run okru wem but omu kofa coach nyet trainer scout say FF wono ko meeting na o ma catch sports ministry ni say omu pe coach no but ni yesu no say get mo no omu chance a omu kofa trainer scout Ghana ya ko ya na buy professor 1 p.m. live Adom TV fire we all see to aso ni be to aso e wo fire for fire. Eti blasters coach there onya there but if any kofa coach fun aba trainer scout aba no ene ne yesu no
mafo sene nema AC ko melusi ala madawase a chelp but Kingdom Heba the Kingdom Home Estate nso abeka ho ene on set me ka Kingdom Galibites ne Kingdom Gali capsules abubobi ebeboa amanyama etian tutu yidi amount New Kingdom ginseng power capsules na recommended for sexual weakness be ma se benyado uhwe gears na u change a change msel ba ne da hoyi wo de ante sa na de a chemsel mansanka New Kingdom ginseng power capsules bi ebetia boa makokromoti asore na wafanam e de emiado kono so na boa manyama etian ko tremendous capsules man do no eno so mansanka bi eboa e ma candidiasis wife fit na so de puan so o praprechi kra endura e ma ene bra kwakutwema osan koba na wasan betwemu bio ina ne se e ho chese amada nti bomodin da san sabetia ka bi fa ni chire mu e wo kanshi na afi one Kingdom for mpanyim for ntwenkomo e the New Kingdom Home Estate nso atia saba e dan foforo kra na hwe facilities ne ya me wo ha anika bomodin da opedan atode a na odo ani a che Kingdom Home Estate nso aka che behwaboa e ma niam atia to edi amount game park games e dey pick one a game na ba modern da say obetia san to be 1 to 36 now selecting na man film na for obetia to 1 Ghana cedis san kopem 350 Ghana cedis obedi 26 times to stake no enti fa ho gym na on so sika sem enkoye star 946 hash na watimi atwa be draw no ba so anopa e Adom TV so awia Adom TV so anwumere Adom TV so enti wo de ho gym a ebetia boa mo asesa sika dwete ho sem National Lottery Authority for paying for ana womo ensa hyase eboa e ma di dwumedi atia sabro omo ana ta chire boa ma ena no pen so e dia o kense ho sem pan sa kan timi jaw we dey yes so you the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
Medase memwa kwa banso enei do Badum TV Badwam health tips eso yegusua ti edwamo di nkomo afa stomach ulcer ho adwada binada ene wukuin so ye ba be hwe signs and symptoms intino wo ho na hu sans nyeme ya ye be bobosu ye be ka ho asama na watumika na wakwaya sabia meda endpoint homeopathic clinic ase wada roma na ye dwumadi ebro ne doctor edubuaten ne ti edwamunti ene di nkomo wie pode ne number ne be momom de ne number ne de o da kura na o ne nije ho do memo akwa be ye da se na wo chi so obo ho mode ye da se emre ne adaje nti stomach ulcer ne ka ho asebun ene de ye hwe signs and symptoms se bi bo ba afia so a na bibi se si a den na ebede ade amame ho
ade e betuma mu ahu se wo stomach ulcer no in fact dia bia me fanze nipa be se we nipa be se 100 ya e wo stomach ulcer e mu be du e mu be se 10% ene bia e wo ulcer ne bi so na e manage nsanso bia enti e bi mu ha itimi kwa bibia fanze asymptomatic e manage nsanso but e mu be 90% de dodo no anya nsanso bone nsanso bone ni be the first na stomach ulcer e beda no wadi ni say e come de wa na we yam yoya udi disusu a kawame no na we yam yoya it would ye e come de wa me me tiwe se come de me a eni kwa say me ni wuni wo sa e come de wa obati se come de keke eni kwa say we yam yoya e na wodi di me a enka e ma ho to so kama ani die wodi ye wodi di ami mo no aso na yefunu no aso na ya ase na wo munam Edinti, one of the signs and symptoms of stomach ulcer is that when you are hungry, you will feel pains. When you are satisfied, you will feel pains. Ade ba kwa bek man say dwane wadie no intimi digest ye. Te dwane abedie no bo se gina obo indigestion. Ibi munya sa ade no bo se dwane wadie no intimi indigest. The dwane wadie no first of all no intimi indigest dwane ne ko yemu ansa. Na boba. Oh. Tejane boba wo yemu enam se akọ yemu na acid hydrochloric acid echimagu anwane ni sunu no e boba wo bosa no na wo hyehyw heartburns if you say the also tell say no say ye yemu ne ye wonsamu e wo ye yemu we have linings in the stomach I boy ho ban na mum no ye ni nsamu e wo ye minimu okay etejane na wadie no a akọ mix with hydrochloric acid and other juices no gastric juice and so on and so forth no ajane boba abosa no acid wom to mo se na asase se ma obo no e hyehyew na obi ha ne bo no ye ne ya ti one of the signs one hwe ya wo stomach ulcer one hwe ya beka se wanya bibi e fe se akomayade bebre beba hospital no doctor me fele se menya akomayade na obo se wo homi ensiso sometimes wo homi abo se ensiso shortness of breath na wakoma no to me bo peri stomach ulcer no etima obuni ya oyasa na esiwachi asa waso ano man wow oh yes na ema bebre no abelche o kesu wadi dia wie no obekesu saa na o gase na o bi fa ne to na bi fa ne minim enti won so beche saa na obe ochi a aduane bia ko yemu a the taste of it the scent of it changes because aduane nya ko yemu a the fried rice na wudi wudi ko yemu ni wie no enam say acid ne saa na managusu nti no the taste and then the scent of the food no changes.
Until be obibeke suna scent.
Not scent. But no one say I better me delay because you have never medio. I didn't hear me, but in your call yamu it changes. It wants a walk to sano, not at the center, but one we are covered be a friend say halitosis. Bad breath. For me, you know what do you know a pump on a boba. The bit masaya and say, a team of you are with me now, the Americans heart burns. Bonnet to show. Asa we de aduane no asa obo no ehyehyew to the sense bebere no afele so banu nusu obi wa aduane wadi no intimi digest nti no obo so wa amfe kora wonye okay stomach ulcer no atimi obi bofro no nauseated feeling asa obefe obi wa no a wodi wie no wa amfane nche ne minim no wa amfe a wonye okay yeah no wonye okay signs and symptoms of stomach ulcer e doso bebere na so bia ne se de ne de no e no efa enti embre ne koninti no be the number no betudwa so obi o saa wa hawo ni bia obetimi afre endpoint homeopathic clinic number 0244 86 7068 0244 86 70 68 yade be how bia obetimi afre
yada say nen so Dr. Duboatin na yetene kama endpoint homeopathic clinic na dawoma ene yade bro midino afia amankwa tamaklo china nyame yadoma ebesehia
so TV ne hosha Adom TV ni adru so ne bedwema hosepe world of entertainment gracias montero gracias deba mo ani agye deba mo akoma ajuju ani je hema amaba say e be in about 20-25 minutes today na yes my sister menkuku kaka na afim penifo atwa adwumadi no so na yeguso e bon kaye say memene da aside say me birthday no adwumadi kese ho me the Sandra or heme ametiwa now so adwumai nyame Adom ne entertainment ami ti Ghana for tremo a
woni sa Sandy na we dey jayo oye guy sister Sandy be a guy
gracias
we a guy
but I say nti afa yembo hwi nko na no pe onya Jango energy drink ni bi enum say na wa ho keka ebeda hwon kokora is an say Jango die vitamins assault a ye de agum no caffeine eno any energy drink a make am for ma so mo de anya bi so wa bre so wo pay energy bi boost wo ho aye adwuma din bi die Jango energy drink and I make am for e de ama yen konsem no so na wo boaboa ho so ba koto pi work ni bi nso so anom 3p garlic mixture no abu adwuma yi pa ni gina no responsibly yen pon no na madi ho nkomo achiro memory that all road leads to National Theatre honom ene yakwa 9 lessons and carols enya afi ne ye be ye no abeka se oh we kura be ye dani hey ade ayaye ni mfie bebre Adom TV awaza oje biso bia no kan kire se bronya de ejna ye na so eno ntina me tonsa afrew abusua mu ni nyinada mese we won kwa mema afi won kwa bana kuma wood for yi play na se sabo sa won kwa wo boss le hey chi na nya de po bitina won chen asam ne da no atwa no so atwa ne stress say ya 30 Ghana cedis pe 10 cedi miensa Michelle Toby Mobi na abusua ni nyina embra enti no ayaya hwane a ekokuma wood no omo nkra bebre ede emaye omo nkra bebre de maye say yeto nsa afisa be yeto nsa kuma wood no so to ensa efro na migusu echeche ticket me pacho me be phone lines no wo so frame me wakonya na anie se ubenya ticket enra ye chebi adwada ye chebi ye becha me Saturday ne kra no ye beche ticket enei frame 0302 211 70123 0302 211 70123 frame me I hope so wo frame why crowd o nyese avena o friend why ready because simfade ade ma me twen wo pen enti ba cho yen hwankra kasebo ene ade a e final lesson so ye ba me fa me first caller na ma check ticket ye ba sisi a
16th of December Asia e National Theatre e hope ye nika se dia fi bia de brema fi we e yesron kokra afisia po bye
Carlos night edu hobio eye National Theatre 16th December eye afiwo ya 16th December eye Saturday Carlos night Adom TV any movie staff Eddie Carlos night Ebremo ewo National Theatre mo ni dada yes she lie movie actors ni nyina achichem me na me play Joseph Papa said ya fi bia mu nim no boys girls ya hwehwem nyina mo ho obia fa no hu bi 16th December me say 16th December Saturday Carlos night National Theatre so wa mabia why your home if you say stars in Ethiopia why na open no obia baby Carlos night 16th December Adom TV Adom TV Omudi Carlos night in Abraham Carlos night theater 16th December buya
Kuma Mazimbi mama no mommy anopempa cho baby obi aye chiao mama evergreen your friend R2G refusing to grow mama one ne energy no ne skills no ne dance move ne nkwenti no me sure bra na be hwe akuma mama Zimbi and Reverend Kwame na Aidan also Kwame na Aidan so my quotations no any okasa ba quotation na mu jumede ne be dey too much because we host ne nkwa no a guy and son of favorite presenters about the Bible and so Eddie amount. And it was a power packed. Akuma wa your host. Kuma would for air drama. Presenters are air kind Bible. Oh man, for 30 days. No, only excuse, but your memory that bring an annie asha seen. Oh, Banswa no apple birthday gift, so they bred the guys. And the guy's birthday. Mon buano, mon famra. Because 16 December die enemy, no manya 30 make 40. Make a 40. I grandchildren me drew 40. It's a very young now money. I feel maybe a phone lines, no 0302-211-70123 0302-211-7023 70123 Tempasho. Nanaya, hi, good morning.
Morning.
Nana Pasho, here now friend me friend pay.
Kumase.
I was say Chrome be able call hodie. Okay. Now Pasho say come here sure some minute that betting about National Theatre.
Yeah, sure.
Where sure pa?
Yeah.
Nana mama dey get out ticket no for mama. I quite buy the top tickets no your phone so.
Pasho be the star 71 4 star 003 star 3
what I do them bonsam nana. What when you ticket what?
Okay.
Once you put Kumase Crab Pacho Busu anywhere how what magic but now Sony and you details.
Okay.
Okay, we'll be for far about home. Hi, good morning. Hello. I free so free. Yeah, check tickets. Yeah, check tickets. Yeah, check tickets. It's about more than free. We will take it be brave. Waha. Me cheche. What yes? When we go birthday present, I made mama. We check tickets. Go fi am produce monfa. It's a measure monfa. Obi about home. Hi, good morning. Hello. I'm Mr. Tickets no. Mompe. Every time I talk that ho. Because I ask a crowd this side. Okay, ain't you know. Yansan share stars are eba Matilda Sari Chechia Christiana Awuni Chechia or boy Siki age name Kala Kumase. Squad near tight. Squad near too tight. Toby Abaso. Hi, good morning. Hi, Dorothy.
Hi, Sister Sandy.
Hi, baby girl. Good morning. Pacho, hey now frame me free.
Oh, Pacho, me kasa free aguna sedu.
Hey, shred aguna. Na bet me abade.
Me Pacho ane.
Dorothy, we are sure.
Me Pacho ane.
Okay. Mami, they get out tickets no. You're turning saying your phone so.
Star 714 star 003 star 3 hash.
Bon say I say code de gumuchim. O medwini baba. But I say, o ma do original so na mpa change you details. 1 minute ticket why?
If I tell you.
Okay. Or before far about home so hi, good morning.
Good morning, Sister Sandy.
Hi, me pacho he na frame me fra no pay.
Me pacho me frame takwa.
Takwa, takwa baba.
But me kuma ho baba.
Oja me kuma straight up. Now pacho ma me digital ticket na asa do pay no ko digital.
Me pacho star 714.
Okay.
Star 00. 3 star 3 hash.
I don't say gumuchim me pediamo ya no. Me pacho jina so na je me kuma why?
Me pacho you man.
Me da see fi say friend. Me da bugina ma sesa no pay. Mo friend mo mani agi because mama me hu say how are you turn your phone so no digitalization no akokwa mo mani agi pa. Iti na make us squad bebre no ewum. Enti yankwo hye kuma wudfo a ebe drama amaye on the 16th of December 5. Na watina say pacho ni dim 7. Nya di dwumadi no hye so. Na ekodru me nko a me so sa me nko kan Bible. Lesson 8. Kofi Ampedu. Magvite akofa chapter 1 to 12. Hey, na Magvite na we sir. 1 to 12 me kwa kan ye betwa so baby. Me do 4 5 for me twa so. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa show dini baby are free. Hello.
Hello.
Me pa show dini baby are free no pay.
Your friend Ajumo Malam.
Oh, hey, straight up. Now, you made any air with him for?
But you National Theatre.
Hey, that time near time, eh?
But your best start is 7 o'clock, 7 p.m.
Let me say, Deputy Minister, be I would nature more information. Oh,
there be.
But 5 nanke better not see you.
You better 5 near best. You better not see a baby gate, no, but on the 7 p.m. no.
Responsibly, but you just and short take it so. But ATN share Mr. Ansner be drama na my that night. I be it's patcho mommy and share mercy sia. 10 minutes CD. Mama fan we share man for you ma would that responsibly. But stand no. Me go for be stand the assemblyman near there. Me nua mema wase mitimi ebo omudin show na ko hu omo pepa no so a watimi ato e dia ma omo we Galilea electoral area Stephen Jabaku Ajololo Galilea honom no mesre ze bra na yese obo adwuma ne ho so dwopa wa abokire aya amokọ pepa no so a montoma bra Steve Galilea ho emfa emame na okọ CM electoral area enso so a me nua ba ko ta fresh show ne so prefer na kiss me Seshi Bekwai wono wo asiem electoral area mambo ni ya me pacho fa che me pepa no so ne dini Ebenezer Japan woda number 1 akis me ya na ekwoti muntim so fa mame na monko manim sa responsibly mungina mo weni a mombre ma ponche style bi 80 birthday for no osmo mame nyom no happy birthday to you enei ko fo jo ma woda December bonds maka we rock December bonds we rock 16th yeso ye ba nei Eva love Gina woda Eva love oba na easy to wear ona wo kono to make am for hair logistics at the mouth nungwa Beyonce will makeup department Roberta Terrier on a treatment on a lease on to mu twen kuku enti me pon Festus Master Adam Osmosis Master Christopher Welbeck Kofi Ampedu Amampoma belongs the big girls Damascus Rahel Thomas Omunginaka production ho Emani FM I'm the guy's queen wish am Roma road to birthday ya mama me boza macau
bronya na san ye dru biem enti na me se ye nhia e wo 9 lessons na se Yankopon ya domo a memre nda ya numero no nson ne asase wo National Theatre ye bedi mu nkomo ye ba before that ye nkodi nkomo Dr. Prince Nelson Mortoti atnase na opanyi de bia ya ka ho asemo a 3P Garlic Mesha ne ye bedi mu nkomo ye Piwak Natural Health ena akofa sa adru nwanwaso yi abedwa so tama me kodok ho ma na kwa abala nkobo twetwe no infrase Dr. Nelson, good morning.
Good morning, Niaba.
Sempombo ko de.
Onyankopa da Roma, ye ho de no papa.
Ye de nyankopa se. Ye ni nkomo kakra, Piwak Natural Health. Ye bossa edin no a. Odwuma amoye ne sen, de na wo se bo man fotiri.
Yo, me Niaba me da san pema me nchia na me nchia Ghana fo nyina titro o ma mo hwe ewo Adom TV and Anope. Na ye ma obi biara afisha pa enso. Piwak wonya te ye dimpe na wo hu se ampa ye ne dwumako ba ko a wo kurom ha. Yesom yema Ghana yeboa ama Ghana for etimianya apomudimpa na kwanpa ye pe se Ghana for betimianya apomudimpa na se ye betimi twetwe nuro yamfa nkeja na yanwa se yare bi ba ade ba ko a ye hwehwe di kan na ye pedi se yare no kwan ansa na ye peduro no vitamin C se de ye de betimi de abo ye nkoma wono ho ban South ya se de yare no emefa ye numu ana se embe ha yen we sanim die na Piwak for tena ase hu se no kware mu no kware se ye betimi aboma apomde mpa bi pa ye dia na ese enya vitamin C a e betimi strengthen your immune system na sa vitamin C no so no ye benya fi no bra ni
se wunya code o minimum ye wo ya na wo twiti na wo pharmacy etimi ka kire se to vitamin C ka ho sa vitamin C de bi wo aduro ya ye ka ho
se aduro ya ye hu e wo TV so nyina no ye yemfa nsuo nya aduro ye nu aduro
Monfa nsuo na se ye nsuo de nsuo
nti wo hwe saa bia etoemu de wosu a wo se nsuo na enye nsuo eye vitamin C a ya twetwe fi plant 100% organic yes we ye kwan pa Ghana ha krom ha ye pe se ewiase ene Ghana fo nyina hu se ampa ye wono mapa wo hu se me bisa de bia se anka ye noa bofre ye noa kwadu ye noa epe ye noa apple ye noa enoma bia vitamin C ye fruit bia eboama o dietitian o doctor beka ebe wanya cancer ebe wanya diabetes ebe wanya hypertension say the fruit nyam na ye nya sa vitamin C na ye mfa nkeja because o de keja na ho odna den akofom sanim die na Piwak for atwetwe vitamin C ye di nwani no garlic ni ginger ni no ma hodo afra ene ye di boma apomdempa etimya obi bi na ntenye nsuo pa na woto ma mbeti nyanya sa yi wo he bebre
vitamin C kwa na je se mo dia fra garlic na mo dia ye
ye se eduem ne nyane se Ghana ha no wo ko every regions bia ye wono mapa bia wo ho enti wo hwe bebia ye farms ye wo fo mantam kesia ho na ye produce sa vitamin C ne ye den edi free bar ansana
na se mo amadomofu
of course
na mo dey serve me purpose
yes
enye se wo koto no aka se ho aye den mo akuafo edua no all year round
ye ko adwuma de mayen so ti ase na ye di aboa ma oman no ni manfo apomudin etimi ewie paye enti we ni butai kese na se wo ti Piwak pe na won se adwuma so a Piwak for ye di e di aboa ma
afa ye ra 3p garlic mixture we di kan aka se vitamin C na garlic na mo ka kan bom wo na se mo fa nkenja
ye fa nkenja
eti mo no aduro
ye no aduro kurum ha ye no aduro ye fa nkenja ye fa nsuo nya aduro
Jesu akese no a ye hye abiburo wo
de ye nyebi e ko ni nyina na se me pese Ghana for ti ase obi a wo hwe no pe se wo ti sika koto ade na de wo ti sika koto no e se wo nya value efri sa de na okoto ye mu se makoto bibi pesosa ase se sa de na me ti me sika koto ye no etwa se ade ne di mfaso bi eden ade ebreme ye ka se eduro ne die onipa na wo yare na wote sika koto eduro na onum wie ye no waka se eduro ya me koto ye yi no etinya bo me yare no ama me ha na eden etimi afiri ho because wote sika na koto eduro na wantinya anya yare sa wo mu a na etwa se wo de no me mpo eden aba wo ho so no Piwak se yen ye di nukwaredie eni nyame so ka cha Ghana for se sika wo to na wo de akwakoye wo ho adwuma na wo de asa wo ho because e how na ba wo so ade nte say de how no foforo beden e be ka ho ma e say ye yi how na eden e free ho ma na wo how no e free ho eno eni kwan pa ye pe say ye de say dui e fa so ene Ghana Africa ni wiase nyina agya to mu enti krom ha wo fa gogo kura na obisa gogo say me pe best garlic mixture gogo say 3p yes
wow
yes
emfaso be na menye free so de na be ha me abunti e wo say me koto 3p garlic mixture yare be na esa
me abade bia ye didi ya home ya no south ya se onipa bia wo didi na home num bia ye dan di fi be konimu south ya se enti ye didi ya home ya num ye di fi ko ye mu nyina no eye wo me ne wo mienu nyina ya sede se ye nya bibia ye detoxify body ye di efin no ye di Israel de
no te said ye drum maybe also ko bu ka engine wa irugu na de foforo gu mo no
sa na tie e se wo ro ka no mu sa na nipadue no e se ye wo mu se atade ye fia ye nto ntwene yesi south ase ene nti nipadua no etwa se wanka se enye se me na meka che ona no pi eye wa sede se wo nipadua na wo de koba no wo huru mu siesie nipadua no na krom ha de ye kanche Ghana ni wiase nyina se ade ba ko ye betimi de siesie ye nipadua the number 1 organic drugs aye 3p garlic mixture adentia esan say alison na free garlic no e ba no junior na free ginger ni no ma hudo mu e ba no e boma moja no esan akoma na chiche moja ma nipadua no enti ese nyenya bibia ye de strength akoma no na chiche moja ne wurawura bebia na enam so ma efin kidney ni liver no enso etinya ye won djuma etinya ye efin ahodo ama pomden pa etinya wie pa enti ene so obi wo moja bro so aduro so na wo no do for 15-20 years na ahoto yare sa enye ne dia na ye catch na no pese nya 3p garlic mixture kan wo bp do na wo no wo 3p ya wo no do ya 15 minutes me patcho wo bp do na wo no wo betimi afa
no okay
na etimi abo se ene metformin so na wo da no volog so e bia insulin po na wo inject all because of say diabetes esiche yare na etete wo na wa bon homodia ene esiche yare freni pani remember be bro ho remember some enkoye all because of sesichiare obi wo ho sabi ekro to no doctor body homode ekro no wu just kwetwe free so piwak say what do be a wo ebe a wo dey diabetes for 3p ne dey eka ho na bo ne hwe say ma bo me homode jare se bia se me pe maye na edure de eba ye no wo se ade ne ya wo yare no be hu say eye enya wo be hu say den enye eye 3p ena no pay ye de ma Ghana for esan say edo no eboma moja ejafo saninti enti eboma obi a wotu asentene etwetwe especially me kan wo sciatic nerve free wo sisi ekọ na to ho no de nyina na se moja enyafo saniyem se inflammation eba ni padua ma wo betimi atete ya wo sani padua mu nyina won sa betimi agene wo na betimi sister wo na ho a wo duku kure hye wo no e betimi afiri ato
papa won te se wo ade afiri ato
papa bo betimi ye fini nan kura na onim se de mpa bompo eden e ye fini na enti anope de yesre Ghana for se ye ko xmas wo ko hye wadofo bi wo pese woni abusu ni bi di nkomo na wo pese woni ni di nkomo mo ne je ni nyina no kan hu se so onya pom di mpa abusuani ni ho woni wadofo bi nhia
na se bronya ye ni abre ye hampasi 3p na wasi ye de hampa no no won na chese wa che nipa na de wow if I na me pedudu atu na me pebi ato amenya bi na numbers am free
of course and pay say wo hwe na wo pe 3p garlic mixture wo call pharmacy herbal shops all leading chemical shops bia wo krum ha no wo benya 3p garlic mixture to mesra say edu no kwato a eya na wahwe box no so 3p no aha eya shen wo do safa so eya bro ya emboss bro ni bega say embossed ya emboss wo do safa garlic mixture no so eya sa say obi emfa bibi boni enhye wo nsa me patro e bia na wo hwe e wo tamale of a kojo heba opposite tamale taxi rank some of it na chi ho be 3p wa mumune we enterprise opposite wa cathedral no so be 3p e wo ho na wo kuma se na do nche dani heba Colinak and a Chris K. Obenya 3p wo ho. Wo e takwa e my joy and a wo so obenya 3p e wo ho. Na takwa de say chas and a AA mensa e wo ho. Na wo ho a e abesam e wo ho. Obenya 3p ko fodua e Gapson Pharmacy. Obenya 3p wo na wo e nkokwa na do nche Hillside Pharmacy na say Isaac Drugstore wo Accra ha. Na wo pen pudo pal to dia na wo do nche Angel Heba awo kanshi obenya 3p awo ho ebia na wo eye twefo plus ni mantam adofo Heba awo ho so obenya bi wo ho twefo homan na etimi abo ye numbers edidi dwuma a betimi abo wo eye 0248 928824 0248 928824 ana say 020 100 another 0021 020 100 another 0021 obi bomi hweme guma so say na ma no so na ma na bosomi so a bosomi akwantu enkoyi
na nsa na etwa
obekotuma na yeden school ni ge obekosu ko so yeden ama no na 3p na piwak de yede nsa se yebuma e ma no se wo menses no enkoyi a wo de nya 3p eya wo be hu say ye
about time na say we wo ba no wo kwa esesa mesra wo de to bi shed bag wate first aid wo hia pa na bronya so ye chade a ye nchade a ebe mo manfo pomuden agye de bia na yeska to de bia cheduro de ehu sampa apomuden de ho hia opanyina me ne twetwe nkome wana ye kwankyerefo panyi ya woda Piwak Natural Health ano Dr. Prince Nelson Mototi na me ne no atwetwe enkomo na 3P ho mfa so de ya yebenya ene yedi mu enkomo na buso men kai wo se enche medan me ho aba na nkomo twetwe de aka akye no me de ato aso na Franco Trading Enterprise bronya akyede wo mo kyade bronya mesrewo mo ani na ho laptops Nokia phones, Samsung, iPhone, smart TVs, yeah, free 32 inches, kwaka 85 inches. Franco for AOB. Franco air conditioners and so 1.5 horsepower, 2.0 horsepower, and a 2.5 horsepower. Ni na Franco for will be washing machine, chest freezers, refrigerators, ni na wadi biaba. CCTV camera, ni installation and the connection. Be connect your phone no. Baby, I want them be able to yakoso. I would day care ho. Baby, I want them be able to yakoso. Would you be real? Wa be hu na fe what to hu anamon. Ko Google Play Store download the Franco Trading app on your phone so App Store so be be e wo frɛ wo mo 030 222 5651 and 0246 422 338 na kwakwa na 0555 939311 na Franco for wo mo beje so still pa kai se phone pa laptop pa accessories pa efi bronyen wo se to ade na wo nche wade ye na ye ho ne nhwe we mratew ye ba nkomo twetwe no de aka echi no ebeto so ena awade wo ena asabra Saturday ampaye bedwa wo National Theatre. Abusuya hia me kan fourth lesson. Ye ginamu den me short to ticket no. A star 714 star 003 star 3 hash. Star 714 star 003 star 3 hash. Buy your ticket. 30 Ghana cedis per we any per numu we said anya ibia 150 what bra fi mu ni na how much sorry. Eni abusuam magimoni wate let's have fun, let's meet. Ebra so say yedi nkomo nene nkomo aye bedie meka me say fasting ne de aya na aye no because brodo no 21 days na master say mesire nyame say na de o fa ncheme na me break because brodo no say dey si fa me hunim wa ha no na brodo ne hwam sa no wow na ye hwe na me kwa na menim say ye wo soy flour ho enti no mba ba kirekirem soy flour na kwa de ade ya di tu brodo ye ya kan de baby na de ka ho ne ma baby na betimi e de ato me wo Joshua Jamfi na Steven Lamte wo mu nyina atena se me nko mo ho na ye ni pa no ho enkomo mbanimfo mama kwa ba
aya
na mbombo ko de enesere mesi di twi na tata ho no enesere mesi di twi atata wo fi ha no menya wo no de ho
say do kuma da say minti twi na enchara te ni papa inti
ba ye be fa no sa online no
be fa this
okay ba me say free Steven Lamte so soy flour for bread and more. What is it about?
So the soy flour campaign is it's a campaign, it's an awareness campaign which where we are educating Ghanaians about the benefits of including soy in their diet.
Okay.
And you know, soy is a type of bean which we all know it can be used for milk, it can be used for several other things, but this time we are focusing on the soy flour.
Okay.
So we are training commercial bakers on how to add or incorporate soy flour into their baking. The campaign says soy flour for bread and more, but that means you can use soy flour to bake bread, you can use it to bake cake, you can do chips, even toast bread, fruit. You can even use soy flour for that.
Oh, wow.
This campaign has been running for the past 2 years. Last year we started with training bakers from different points of Ghana in Sunyani. We took them step by step on how to add the soy flour to their bread or their baking products.
Okay. Yes. All right. I said the all kind of say soy flour no. Enfie mienu na omo fato omo so mbeye ncheche mo manfo ate ase flour bebre ho na so uni padua no hia soy ni bi wom ye wona mak wo ho na flour nso yetimi de tutogbe yetimi de ye bibia nte ho akohia se anya bia ye be switch na ye die no se be benya soy kakra we ni padua emo enti mamenko Joshua so ho Joshua 2 years na mo start campaign ye hwe so far omo ade omo ho agimo no omo asomu sen
yo anopa be da ase any ahwefo any bread boutique customers ni na
okay
and na bread boutique edi 10 years
10 years Ghana. Wow.
Until we are starting our 10-year anniversary today.
Oh, congratulations. Then it's about Bedi Pano.
Yeah, Bedi Pano.
Yeah, it's about Bedi Pano.
Yeah, danyamiasi. Yesterday soy flour campaign. Your customers no moji tum. Maybe a chemuna nipa bebre nim infasudia ewo soy flour so. Until can soy bean no krana bebre na edwane. So soy yesi wodia we bema uhuni ho ana ensem bebre.
Wow.
Anti ye introduce ye no ye samples amount for the na omo hu say soybean na ye the only plant protein ewo niama wande ewo even meat fish owo ni nyina bi
ewo sa bean
okay utumi nya anwa kra frame onya milk frame
because ye hu soy milk de ye hu bebre
aha na ewo niama kra emua bema ye mema wo ya ho odimu
okay
niama bebre ebo ankola ti se o nia aduane emo ni anwa wanfa enama nka ho eden na wo
so wonya hwe na mo use soy oil na
soy oil and now the soy flour no crack normal wheat flour no e say one money edi enama ka ho
na sanka ne na na yese budi broda wonya hwe mfi say because of soy flour
edi aka ho nti aye complete meal yes
okay.
Exactly
okay
anti soy flour ni de eboa bebre bebre your customers ni bebre na agitu mu anti ekoyie pa
wow
omo enya enso bi nhwe ye no ye be advise omo say omo take advantage of this 10-year anniversary because ye be chiche brodo ni bi pa wo shop
okay
anti omo to me abeka bi ahwe
okay all right Steve, you've been interacting with people. What are some of their success stories?
So throw back to 2022 where we started. We trained over 40 bakers in Sunyani. This year we decided to do a one-on-one baking training with commercial bakers across Ghana.
Okay.
And so far, like Joshua said, it's been great. The reception has been so great and so warm. People didn't really know what the flour was about, but after the baking sessions, we also had a sampling session where we introduced customers to the product. And so far, I can say like it's been so great and marvelous. Currently, we've trained over 80 bakers in Ghana.
Okay.
And we aim to train more bakers on how to incorporate soy into their baking products.
Okay. Joshua, training no afi na mo ya na say throughout the year time be a training na ekoso.
I'll take that.
Okay.
It's throughout the year.
Throughout the year.
Yeah, but it's regional based.
Okay.
Yeah, so this, like I said, this year we've been to several regions. So next year we also start. Once the schedule is out, we'll just let everyone know.
Okay. Okay. Next year training no more na mantem mo. Nti bosu ye ko mantem because afimu ni nyina wo mugusu aye adwuma. Nti asad we no mbechu si mantem bi no mbema ye hu. Ti omo ba o mantem mo na o mato won kra no aboa wo pese wusua kwane a wo fa so ede soy flour eto pan no aye niema ahodo bi a pastries bi ano a wonom ebe kyerɛw ni nyina eye. Eti ba menko Joshua ho. So far campaign ya mo ye mo pese say na mo pese sesa omanfo abrabo impact be na mo pese because minim say mo promote a healthy eating habit. Apart from that na dia bi na mo pese Ghana for eti ase na omo so sa soy flour mo.
Okay, once and nansen dia wudi and a chair in fedu do obedi asase so. What you eat is what determines how long you are going to live. And see say ufa isam any margin keke what to pan already. And no ntina ukọ ayaresa bia bebre on be catch yourself pan onye. Wodi bebre be how. But when you use the right ingredient, wodi soy flour ne kan ho a. They say what the balanced diet. Wow. And see a person man for United as say gone are the days we just take flour and margarine. What bake woody.
Okay.
As I said, yen system because technology advancing na niema bebre ebam. Enti wusua sa niema na ebeboa wo ama wanyini ache.
Sa soy flour ye kan e wodwa so a obi abetumi akwakope bi ato na limited aje se wo frɛ obi anza wanya bi.
E wodwa so na wo contact
okay. Okay. It's how do we assess the soy flour? Is it restricted? And I say,
I mean, it's on the market, but we are trying to also increase the reach across Ghana. So, Bakari is on the market. Okay. You can contact us on 054 012 8001
8001
if you want to purchase soy flour.
Okay. Enti de ya kanyina na say soy flour no esam na ye ka ho asem no pe bi ato a otopa no enka ne na na o se de waka no fama gye no afa sam o sema ye pa no awi se wo hia pa no a obi di a anuane mu owom protein ahoɔden ni nyina bi wom wo amfa drink bi anka ho ko odi anu wi a we good to go se o pesa sam na ye ka ho asem ni bi ma number wo bo me sam na bo number ni bi pepe ne paper ne tro ne from we bi on be tro be bi e ben na wakoto bi the contact again
054 012 8001
8001.
Yes.
Okay, well, Joshua, your branding team, who are foot will be a person de ma Ghana for more hurry and pay.
Yo, the American share share for you now, and he say, whoopee, say, would did a dear journey pa. As not necessarily said, just or buy a bakery and Sanawanya pan. Soy flour no market. Ube to me as a CB, to me anya biato. But Sergeant Pony say, soybean enye, would the soy yes, I will be or Montugo.
Okay.
A yadada. And see, now knowledge is just at the tip of a finger. Ufa phone call go, Ubehu, soy flour, no, so dear was so.
Okay.
The second no go high. A be a butter bar, soy enhanced butter. A be a milk bread, but soy enhanced milk bread.
Wow.
And see, ya yenim de apumdi mfasodi e wo milk mu yenim mfasodi e wo soy mu na ni nyina ya ka bo mu e de aye pan ama wa wo hwe a wo dia
ya da mu masepa ebusia na sempadimfo a wo mo ebo soy flour e ho de ro se de ye de eye pan no ye de togba ye de to pastries ahodo nyina se wo to normal flour no kra no a ka so mo ma soy flour nka ho na fire ade na nya de na apomode no enye kama ejomo ne nyina betwetwe enkomo no mo kire mfasode ya ewo so 2023 soy flour for bread and more campaign and na ye de ho enkomo twetwe abro no say de obetime de brodo enka na wudi ase ahodi nim omama ye hu se de ahodi wo no ewo ho na enche na me call St Andrew Senior High School so mo bi mato ho admission no mo je form 1 form 2 form 3 me show eno mo ninkita ho SHS courses na mo run bi ho campuses ne doso asimfo so Accra ni wadubia si dunkwa odofe mankasim shama ene sehwia sanwe so eho nyina nice campus ho ma chechefo no beje bre no ma kire wo mana de mo da cha yefe 0244696911 and afi 0207891004 St Andrews for ebeje so Dominion Herbal Powder so ebre na swing Osori anopa wo hia immune booster me show penso e de kakra na sa Dominion Herbal Powder nkra tere ketwa no a ye de mo mukoko no ni wanum enane ya na wanom enwumre obeda nso anom bi sa ansa na wada wo na ba bia ye wo ye bia no pe Dominion eye herbal ointment na fatutwi fra Angel Dominion penifo na ginchimu 0543158195 and 0249591843 no beje so me show akwada wonya obi a wonya mfinshi adumienu nka ho wa wo ma akwada nufo won so a wonyam won so won ka ho ebi sa nwumakoi na ekura yemu ama enkomotwetwe mede bro na Piwak Natural Health Fund so wo mu ekura yemu abra na ebusua meko na kaise wo hia me a eya freme anochewa ba adrasewa ene ye wukuada entino de aka kire nyina no ebeto aso 9 lessons ye hia makra
Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Hinna beka. Akwesi insia. Commander 6. Kano seni etie.
Ose ye dia kokodro buo ni die kwan so beka ya asem. Ama mpanifo so dia hobrase etie sase enti no mo honom. Ene okwada, me de dia akwesi insia asem yidika breda asunye fara sekese ekoma Kingdom Herbal. Omna kofa enupa beso yasene tijire me ye fit be bia me ye fit what the Kingdom garlic bitters Kingdom garlic capsules aba ni nyina ye adwuma baako srade ador ni padwem no ebe sane nyina agu ama immune system anu ayemre no ebe ma anu aye desene be ya yade bia tisi ni padwem betime de nso kunim Kingdom garlic bitters Kingdom garlic capsules New Kingdom ginseng power capsules ebe ma na duro no Bema mama yosem ewo mpem enkasa nye ne na asembia babadi kaka to say New Kingdom ginseng power capsules no enye aphrodisiac tie enye aphrodisiac na anom ya na oba de kwa akoda da bi eye aduro se ne wonya malaria no akọ hospital ya mo adura wo ne sa ho yade eti esa how bi e woni padwemu a ama bema mama yosem atosini that's New Kingdom ginseng power capsules Tremendous no so ye ma na dia ye de siesie inform na kama white be yini nyina afronom Ghana ba bi aton bi akwa ansa be ka bi atofofo ni enkyere Kingdom Herbal Center or Okanshi Drug Lane Bibia na afre 0275 804064 0275 804064 and 0302 938153 0302 938153 Kingdom or no challenger omna so asene mere asemi di kadwumadie ebrao mame fa happy birthday kese confirm Sims ya wo asante mampon ya me nhyiraw no nyo kese kopem so be kese pa eti fro namfo kwaku oware kwame apia ene abusuanfo ye wo asante mampon nyina se ya wish you all the best happy birthday and confirm Sims quick man fa call adomonline.com na me chiro de bi go honom adomonline.com shade show TV de so me call adomonline.com me da chiro oh me ya online story no e da chiro you see me no ba bedi enkomo bia de bia kasa asum ya ka but over the years as ye buani e de aguso Angry Mampon Chiefs blast cocoa board enya santi mampon we akuape mampon ahemfo e no mbo afui mampanin dada John Ajekum Kufuor abreso eno se mampon akuapem e ho ne biaya ni pog di kan ko fa cocoa ba ye mamu efri tetekwashi etiyaye cocoa Jubilee cocoa farm and yes sebesi factory dia kan e process cocoa oh ye mamu one share edana yes no from 2007 from 2007 and a shall see this sadan share video 2007 and a shall see yes e be sin ne and ya me no kase ya to da na jenjem me video no show TV ne so from 2007 e be sin ne ya me no ekase ya to da na jenjem we are bicycle Ghana bicycle na kosan calculated from 2007 up to 2023 how many years ne be kwakọ wie nyina se yesa akobungu ni abegina abo aban abaso aban ya ade wakodwiri da na gu ese be sin foforo. This is Ghana for you. Sa factory ya hu no TV ne so no na ka be employ ni pa best 2000 and premium ana be ye modwuma ebi be ye farms modwuma na be so factory modwuma. This is the state of Tetekwashi Jubilee Cocoa Farm. Factory na ne ba be say President Kofo time the late Kojo Bawredu nyame fa kransie ena mampani da John Ajekum Kufo ene dwumadie we ehye ne sa ni obotimi ye edru ye ne o abanya ba abanko abanya ba abanko mesi we ade abechi amia fa caterpillar ni akwa kodwiregu na ye Ghana fo asa bo abanya ba se abanya ya ade o wakodwiri dan nagu ene ye se be sini foforo yesu enwuma eni o mamu na se be se simfo kwa nyam kwa nim se nton asase kwa fa ma asori a ba na obi esi asori wo honom giant ni ati asori da mo bom pa adwuma. This is the Tetekwashi Jubilee Cocoa Factory. Former President Kofo time. Say o si oh my God na yensi fashe papa na ni monyam. This is the state of the factory. Ni ye hu say ya. Ma me kwa maso na me ne osarbe mana na kwa me otudate. Ye otoso miensa. Ono ena ye mampo akuapem hene. Enkwatwe nko fa sa asem nana oti eka mo acharo pai eba asem de kadwumade so
ya Abraham Medeshie
akra ye da asese waje bre ene bedi enkomo nana mayemfo ye amwo akuapem mampon anamo tu be na motu dia ka kire aban fa sa dwumade kese ya mampenda da kofo ehya ase ene ase ato na jejemu
yo akra de kan mede nchia be ma mamponfo ene adofo a etie ni adofo a omohwe TV na ehwe TV sisabri efa Tetekwashi Cocoa Farm na orka mo asem se dwumadi start bra ye mampan na wotwe wonya ne ba bi wakwa mudima ye o mampan ne kofa breso tem toni Kojo Bawredu na omohwa ase Kojo Bawredu no di ani na omoyesa dwumadi a ye ho TV so ase na woye awo mampan na ban kufa ban ne ko office no na woja wade na jeje mu betum na ma bo mu de wura ba obi anka ho hwe nsemse ye nyina yeska kana kunyi na yeska no ya ya de leso ni mo be nya se se di be bi edu no ma Adom FM konso asote na wodi tuba na nyina yehu se de be ya kwankwa pa e be faso a ya ju medina ka ni mo be di hujuma na di nima aba mo ma fonso abrabom ti uti me Canada kakra no
nana woni abamu mpanfo adi enkomo anu ye be na de ma ode nti a ye jai factory na ye tuna jeje mu
oh minte we kan wa Carlos Ahinkra na nti me bia makasa ya na o ma ne be hwe but oba no wan ka tem be bia amfa na oja okoi apart from that and the bibia menya kwanya bia no me de mekagu from am say be ya dako kan fobati na o abehwe na de so bia wa e
sesi a ye ka say on krofo a elbo ho no ban na se ye jai ne sa Cocoa Farm ne te say
Pepa Cocoa Farm no Tafo Wakri ani Ghana Cocoa Marketing Board wona ehye wonsa wona mte wo start this project no Inti wakase wo ho ne de tafo wakrifu na wotia wonka. Na Cocoa Marketing Board nzo ona ya engineer fam say what start is agreement.
Afia etwemu 2022 na mete say Ghana Tourism Authority mpanyinfo say enka afi mu de ye ba be share cocoa farm mu kinana ka ye even tourist site crowd ya mamanfo atimi anya kwanya ba hono mu ensra hwe utu wani ehwe won mu bibi won mu a ekoso ete sampa aba wa no motu bi peso tu erifa sa kwan so ana
yo akra mi de tanu pede mi sa ka na ye be twitwe sa nkomo yi ye wotete kwashi farms wo ho ani ye wo millennium farms wo ho
okay
te kwashi farm no Ministry of Tourism, yes, we have a new super human. When you work, you have very innovations now. What to do in Mukwe? But we be a mahoy, and to say a couple of not too much. Now, Millennium Farm, be a mechanic, 1 year will be a mechanic.
None of us are pay.
Now, the woman say, well,
okay.
Apartment.
Me talk kanapa.
You say maybe I said about assembly to any minister. Say a bang no shit. Maybe I win to me ya. You can be an individual the me ya. Na a bang no only na for them. So we be a one can na the that was a dang na bang through. A bang through. What Bob when you are the iron rose boom. And was saying you go down now. He must have or my penny a bang pain for more than say is cut, the same room home. And one more than now, 1 year, between me, 88, my back will be in the bar. You now, can away, Timona man will be more than. Na afei nso so yɛpɛ sɛ afei yɛbɛba no yɛdi kuku festival no mapo
okay
Adom FM ne Adom TV wɔbɛboa yɛn na yɛ part into partnership ɛno nso bɛka bi ne deɛ ya amanfo no sɛ kuku no sɛ kwakyere kuku ne baeɛ no ɔsabɛre ma kwame otu da ase a saa berɛ no ɔteɛ kɔnwafo no ɔna ɔboa yɛ ma kuku no ɛsita kɔ baabiaa o nso so ɛyɛ mampɔn yeka woka kokoni ho asem kwa na wonya ho sika no kwa mpa wo maye
okay bati
da no mani na nso me te kwa ki family wo maye bati pen ko so fen kwa adwudwin
ya tirada ye beda sepa nana osabrema nana kwame otu data ye otosumiensa eye mampon akuapemhini enam te se no etwe enkomo no to le pani sika kumia gini kokona kasanum o kira no pa me kira wo koko farm. This is the factory 16 years any ejano. We see sa factory ke me wie ya enka employ Ghana this year 2000 ni pampi mienu from 2007 up to 2023 the eja factory on mo ya ene sa ye be sa su se enwuma ni wo na aban atinyuma so ni akodwiregu ni asabo ka wofo me dey akwasi se fa na sekese enko Kingdom Herbal Center omo the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsule, and tremendous capsules. Ebeso ya sinano premier de asimili kajubedi ebreo. Ochanapa ya bese de share. O man ine kwa bana sante tenase. Ene abejo afode pese mu atwaso.
Uni aba na sina ade awa ene mi se why the camera in London BBI is very okay. Means domestic price no more into one no more London, and then we take off. Very very slow motion, no problem. What no more than pa. Well, a report about this last segment on Badwam on Adom TV multi TV. So I'm not sure about the chance here. Professor Ike Wallace, but twice so the my so na make out say. No more did this in answer. Yeah, they broke a since and a day we in a crowd their mind. I'm sure me PJ Mon Pensemo. 16th of December, what a Kumawu Stars, Adom TV, and so any of my can see any. Yeah, did you mediation at the air, bro? 9 lessons and a carols at the bro. I catch you, I'm leading the whole multimedia choir. Me found you because a woman the last time I'm in a stage perform here. If you don't know her, no booster, natural, until Young Channel, National Theatre this Saturday.
You better Kel Charcoal toothpaste as a check Kel brands. Your Kel 360 toothpaste, Kel Kiddies Case toothpaste, and I have a Kel Charcoal toothpaste, and a Kingdom Herbal for some with the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom New Kingdom Ginseng Power, and a tremendous capsules, and a Kingdom Home Estate. So, almost see a dan kama edama. It's lucky about for so no say Monday to Friday, and almost say me deal with a day brain. But I mean, Bononia have four in fact, Bono to be precise, about Tampa Regional Minister, about Tampa Justine, who happens to be the Bono Regional Minister, the NDC MPP communicators, I can't forget you, the former MCE, Doma Central, under NDC. So that's Eric J. and Gabi, and then Minya David, most Mujina Moma MPP. Monsieur Damasepai was a fantastic conversation. Then kudos to YE, just employ YE pays. Jumedation kwa musomo de aba. Ode audience wo fani pano. Na YE ashena omotua ediama. Kofi Japan, uni team no, we are so grateful, and it was graced by His Excellency the President, the Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Onunde Bai Betne Proti Anafi. Labor and Employment Minister Bafo and also better in the Chokwanso. So Ama Frimpoma SIC Savings and Loans, also Samuel Oku and all the other important dignitaries. We had a good time educating ourselves and getting to know much about Enyoma Ekoso. The entire region, Bono region, and then I have for Yeji Breakers, we very much appreciate them. Said the Akai discipline on the part of driver for on the Sunyani. Atroni bedu jedu intotroso kwano kwa mo faso amutu mikano asifim, and especially on a very rough road, you are wondering how they do it. And to my surprise, Miami Chrome Pragiati mifa nipa 8 taxi nipa 12. I did this a time and I'm what chimano and na yetimi bu yani gusu na tiko afa nipa bia be 8 9, but Miami Chrome afo Kenyasi taxi pa wafa nipa 12 na wi no na wasa de kenten ni nyoma bi akyekyere so ne nchenchen nim nyina esremu enye ba bi e kwa yintimi ma wo kwa no your challenge, but ye kwa ye ba. How do you pack people in a taxi? About 9 people, Pragia 6 moto mimi krom ni ameme stop na ka chese moto no de nkwada amo 4 years and 6 minute wani minute wachi. Mimi draw attention. On say muade, osa kasa basa. Esremo enkwa ne hie, enye kasa o kasa basa ne nyame. Especially when SC wo mikrum is important. Very, very important. Say over na matoto mu no yi. And then one of the finest contractors in Ghana, also host 2 team no. Alex Badwam Construction. We are so grateful. Me call for no be normally rare din, but they didn't know. They normally the feel of it. Rare and quite no matter, but no munim say the city and ebuna edi mre ene enwa ne koto aye no munim no matter for what in kasa bebrebe kasa sa keke ya da wasi wi na wasade eye oniaba apim no odi pia etiko ene kontomre ene da wasi eti Mrs. Alex Badwam onu kunu onyame ensha wo se mo host to the entire team the CC ene de say you very much say make details of what happened to be used against me. Oh, that's why the Yami Franchemi. I'll never commit that blunder. And me nyeda. Kwesi nsia de oye nyina say utimidi ED fried rice nyina no. I don't mean ka, but one of those things I will say Bama hit me. Oh, lo akwaba. Akwaba. On the Kuba for the deep fried rice, we say wow, because it's how you brutal. Also, no, the deep plain rice, you know. And a lot of people they love it. In Kuma, still, you know, me will be that.
Some of them are the one day, yes, I'm a fisher, papa.
I'm a remember you are. It will be Kama. But normally, you
no, it's
plain rice and
so cry vegetable.
I mean,
it depends. So what try me that day, maybe and then you may be okay with it. But
it was so.
I think saying in Kumana there, Baby Zekumasi was on Penkumane Dokuno.
Yeah. Okay, Kumasi. Oto Dokuna Ojin Kuma. Yeah. Two Kumasi.
Exactly. Yeah, but Accra was a more of Makuni Sheton and
Brew. And Canada, no, yeah, it was here that. You can come up and bet you say so quasi and so the Okoya and there will be Biasi, more Moji and there will be Biasi. And then what are different? I have lived there, may Bolgantino and attachment. Ujari we are not white too. We are
and yes, Rantem.
Ujari we are. Ujari Timba, Musano, you go so chili cracker. Ujari we are. There's a Bibia that I come now. We are Jumana. I tell you, I am not. We are coming.
Bibia,
party Bibia. So would you not?
Pochino.
Oh,
Scaducaten.
A Sicaducaten. Yeah. So single. Obi.
Oh, other people are coming, but him for form easy. Na until they will pick nomination from the Obohon Mawarba. And I believe your party in democracy.
But so now we also now we secretary in the region.
Yeah, regional secretary. I was regional secretary for 8 years.
Okay.
Well, you know they said but by now time I'm regional secretary. Na MPP opposition.
Okay.
Na and this my brother and the party one who get a majority seat 18. Na he was 8. I'm not regional secretary. I'm in a team no. Ye Jumama, ye be majority 2016. My second term as regional secretary, you maintain majority. Third term, Mr. Malamuko.
So you be maintained as majority in this one too. So share graph now they manage there. Before they share Mr. from. So I pay Obano, so what is happening?
But so Masama come. The same school, you see the same library so.
Oh, that's
Coventry University. To me feel library no me so now no you see Tasama going.
Beautiful.
I know. And one challenge crowd pay.
Is that what graph now? But there's a
books and interpretation now. Book now. We should run and should work. Only one son or the same
brilliant. But I'm not for one.
You know, it's always good that the people that you know, those you, she said, lawyer, say, na me your mama bayamba.
Yeah.
Na the baby abetua. Apart from say a back qualification or you're qualified, the extra strength. The brave one man meet media dance.
Exactly.
The Ghana product we are.
Exactly.
And you're from so. So I say, lawyer Timasi.
Oh no, I mean, oh no.
He said.
No, okay. Apart from so, me ni na go the same school. Me ne Mr. In-law, right? Na Mr. In-law see, my classmate from for my first 3 years of Pendela will be precious.
That's why MPP no.
Wait,
because school not
credit. Somewhere I work. Tambia what time am kofo decide we be.
There we. One can what? Say what one can so brabo no. We are very liberal person. You are not that hardcore, even though you believe in the ideals and ideology of your party NDC. But onye change for ni bi. Odwene Ghana ho na party na ba. Iti nipa sa ye no delay Tokro kakra da.
But say me MPP ni.
Onye MPP ni da. Ana onye MPP ni for now.
Me nye bi so.
Oh my, that's more can now. Joe Nelson.
Yeah.
What's your answer? Only the Nusuban no so. MPP.
Yeah.
But one nature MPP.
MPP ni jane at the center any jane MPP.
Say even there ni pakono cast boy liberal atasa or your objective. What baby are now
before your objective.
I also remember until baby are not scripting what man you use no true character. Not maybe a script.
Over script to be anywhere. News person agree anymore. My news person, no my person agree anymore.
After that,
I want to for crime. Until when you win.
It's not Cameroon. There's 26 seats for to manage here. Nay, you know one, Mama, without sounding boastful. I believe I can handle.
No, I think in all humility, consideration for people like you to be in Parliament and above media mesre adishia or they have the power. We can suggest based on what we know about mo. Say most fata di muma or my Ghana and party. It will not be out of place. A scan for. Is that correct?
Yes.
Or stamp to give you the power to go and represent them in Parliament. Right. I mean, yes, maybe the power to represent them in Parliament is very key. So what your MPP seat?
MPP seat.
So, but so 2020 now. Yeah, 2020 elections. That seat almost came to the NDC.
Almost.
Almost.
So I'm right. And it's almost near issue.
Until the possibility to say very high.
The possibility
because we are maintaining the person who almost took that seat.
So the possibility say maybe omo be chima same
crowd same maybe I'm on transfer here say BBM. On one bar no problem but I mean want to make
it's got to back up for strike or shit 30 goals a season. I say what different on to defense no.
Maybe I say NDC Boko.
Adom
anytime I see you Erikopoku comes to mind, and you, who comes to mind?
Anytime you see me, Erikopoku comes into your mind.
Yeah.
Okay. And I was saying, I see your money in Samadama. But imagine
anytime I see you, be able to say, you know, Uncle Charles, you are a Phoebe. So, be I see at the power of fear. It's Mimi Krum this year, Erikopoku, who is a potential vice president for the NDC, running mate for the NDC. And on also Chrome this year, Julius Debra.
Correct.
Or also no any air hamster. And I'm saying, and mommy, idea that is a US in
on the Eastern region. Okay.
What does you know? So when we are frequent, now a gem call a BA. Yeah, you some him and very good. So Obi are preman there. You won't buy at the end of the day. No, also next year. Next year, no. We are hoping that at most by April the names and be to.
Oh, so when the cat most by February,
at most. Plus a man. No,
you see, the man is a fantastic man. Or the running mate, but the last time I checked, the man could come meet him, be my money anymore. Now don't subject me to this one. Well, back, Papa Joe, if we are Muslim and you went to make also say, oh, Toby, be careful. Expired products, very important.
Yeah, very important.
So be out to be. Actually, I know so many interest on this matter because they want battle and then I call other matters.
Yeah.
With the office of the special prosecutor. Okay. In fact, me kwano embrasa ma ministry kwano me ka say enti enya mo say the speaker Edison komo yaba. I am to say the twitwi betimi aba sa attorney general and then the office of the special prosecutor because the definition of corruption and corruption related and Mr. Ababa comes attorney general also he superintendent of all those things. How do we draw that line? And now we muswa Nancy is going to come up with so if you piece it together, it's like that office. Is it really necessary now? Because never a control.
Okay, why am I saying? Na mecha we take finance, which is Obiano. Undermine the mass American. It won't know the personal, but for me, I hate to do that. Some American, we used to me, Namzi Shinipan. But Wakabande, I'm a prime example. Into Bisubo to use my example. First of all, act na Okro Parliament, Special Prosecutors Act. Intention no oye papa. It is to forestall about the corruption. And the way so does there ebia nitum no OGB Attorney General not yet. However, yes, I am independent. For me, I wouldn't see any friction between the two,
the Attorney General and the special
bodies. I don't see anything between them because we all have to work in a collaborative manner. State institutions must work together. And here the man on normal money in a yenyam faso. If you may be asked what's a bar, another baby was a bar. I shall say maybe being a teething problem. Then as you go along, there you wait. Bonde law nankasa or evolve mobile. Maybe a law be not irrelevant. Maybe 100 years ago. Only relevant in the but it forms basis for new ones to be introduced, another the old one to be built on. So having the special prosecutor's office to augment the corruption okodo and corruption is on obibia now yen attempt to prevent it no I believe that it's very important. You see Speaker Babi Nasim Noken, I disagree with him. Only on WAFA special prosecutor office in Norca, it means that the act itself is useless. For me, the act is not useless. It is good. But sometimes messengers near for one. You know, for me, if I say Jabina, I don't think that I fit to the special prosecutor.
So on your fit?
Yes, because of my personal issue. Because Captain, so I respect the I respect the office of the special prosecutor, but the office itself. But Nipan messenger needs in this one. Ni personally, say your court into court in Massam. That's why I'm saying that I disagree with Speaker that the Act of Parliament, the no ye nan OSP acting, ni na ye. But in your case, not what your personal as and for me, based on what I know. But
it will be very unfair if you don't previous to what is going on. I will feel say the personal.
Yes, because
money unfit.
For me, okay, for me, master me there. Say you video or baby okay. The video not being and I'm just going to because that's not the focus of why we're here. The video not about Anas here. I'm not only in your bugos or your video no ye.
So Unima and he will not take the matter up. Unim.
Sabarba.
And Allah them judge us. Do now him say seem to be wa
video.
So no lawyer will defend Anas mobile in this matter. The video na some no. Atasa. It is a video no Anas here.
No, I'm very confused. One need defend Anas.
Kisei Jabin was the lawyer for Anas in this matter between Emin and Anas under Martin Amidi.
Before he began.
Under Martin Amidi, okay, yes. Very well.
Mm-hmm. So, okay, and you own a law firm with him, Cromo Gray. I'm also the missing outcome. And me, the master, you can't corner to Ghana, Obion Rubia, Mama Canata. So, at the time, the Martin Amidi will invite him, okay? Now, Mokrain, no invitation. Muwana, Moonde, curtains Katobina. Nipa to wash your coat with the nature. What about thief criminal? Was started
one is a reference now.
So that I mean, I'm about summer cousin. So I Kisei Javin as Samidako. Let me be some investigators now. I want what's our nast and lawyer. Nana Sanka or Kettins, no other cameras, what about police full? No police full way investigation. Martin, you know what the cameras about what being interrogated me. So I told them that trauma dead per day, a bed. A bay me investigation be some awesome. Names were I don't know how. No, so one boy won't do about them. So I went them out. So I sacked them. I sacked Kisei Jabin. No, so we're sure. No, what cameras now okay. Now, fast forward. Then you become the special prosecutor. Change the matter of Naminability. I am there. I mean, pay the video now. I mean, announce the video, original one, won't show the whole world nonsense. So I'm saying that, and what personalize it. I mean, we use as example. The last year, more America, what from also what from. I mean, me have an age maybe more. Atasa, now trauma that member Ghana or pedal way investigating because at that point, you know, and this full year press conference be about 500 excavators, which have been consistent to say that 500 excavators behind you Ghana. But Atasa, because the records are there. Then I wrote about what Anas has done. Then within 3 days, the Kisei Jabin from the Orbea investigation. Look at it. And the chronology of events. A trauma names some abrochi. Namapa, Namapa January. As men do within a certain day, you're going to extradite me. About Obama Interpol Abafam. 20,000 cities. As a magic right, 20,000 cities. Are you getting it? So, officers were personalizing. Not here. Because for me, you know, so in rule of law, and I'm over. And it's a court customer. We just there, you took a appeal, and I'm over. And for you to come out and then bastardize the court, no, I mean, it's a baby to a fugitive. I'm not a fugitive, no, I'm master of the Norcan. That, me happy no mark court, no mark BBS, murderer, yeah, a murderer crab to mark injunction from investigating matter. Okay, you for the analogy in Ejuma. In the same vein, say, I will defend Obia, what's what commit to murder, na lawyer was assembled either you go plead for manslaughter and baby using mitigating circumstances, okay? Now say I no lawyer tell it to obey or judge. The man some another. Into them analogy no use there fugitive murder crab to my escape investigation. Most we use the analogy. So back to the point that you're making there. for me or ye nipa no wama why then what bastardize office but office they say pocho or your office papa aban why then what form I think the next time so only we is no kwa we need to carry out proper introspection pocho asa nipa ko no boka ka office no or ye ejuma no ye because I mean dan mo hwe TV was say cars or work to turn no wa man crofo cars no so in the budget no asem no more 149 million cedis 149 million so far no me just the ejuma bia ye hwe no mfa so moba okay into so far no be in some ahen pocho asa and na yetum ya den yezi 2 what's the budget right 10,000 to 20,000 moba for time 5 years time I spend all into petrol no would can what about court the bia ye koban ayin da some no ye no kran pocho asa it's not a cost to the taxpayer into ye corruption though but in the same vein sky in the spend office no office there quite done kese pocho asa so for me I think that the special prosecutor's office no ya form yajitum oye atasa but I dey share the way our operations no oko our me just there say if you want to employ one ponewa me just there I dey woman way employment independently I'm gonna I don't think the special prosecutor minimum how we recruit to Crawford but on the Public Services Commission one we employ where interview no should they fit and send our office I think all these things should be done because say you get on here to bulletproof car armored vehicles that them zaman is na on ostentatious living na anamba nti abes of na high supreme court judge so supreme court judge on so tum tin sama sometimes will be no what tum sentence and high court judges tum sentence in Crawford to death anamba now where your investigation is at court no sentence in pakon as investigation be intimi here amod car no there judges here on artillery no work of yours one akọ so it doesn't make sense for me it has to make sense in what we're doing and things that we're doing must be cost effective.
Okay,
that's it.
I think sir because the special prosecutor is not available it's only fair that Mr. Meka say no money be one mawaka you know the special prosecutor with all due respect we did say fache because I didn't know this will go be in be brace in this world we demand an armored vehicle and they say feel say jumana or yen
but why you apologize some man can base in the public domain
no odi armored vehicle na me centroni no me see me here bambo because I say me say me juma me do what the make sure say here ni pass o be gina me nche na car kra me see afi mo and I met me be shonko Badwam me juma me ye no eti me di mo awie peyo so let's not just let it sound like you know
okay mama clarify
a normal office in a war oh the major no and I can say oh chichicha
mama clarify okay I mean let me take Galamsey office okay what we're doing I hope we issue licenses so atasa but somebody made you believe that license to work into Obama bribe atasa and somebody he believed that as some 4 years I'm saying that it has to be fit for purpose. Now, investigation, I'm reading investigation. Now, abandon, you prosecute. It's a judge now, over prosecution.
All right, I was privileged to have listened to speaker. Your comments no make here, you didn't come away. And in Casamun, the argument basically was on the facts. Yeah, you said the office of the Ghana Hano, my Mr. Frisa, Ghana Hano, Yeba, Quadbobia Mua, Quadbono, and as I'm running to me, ya the Boquad, any will be some cake, a water engine ransom. But as I say, a water engine ransom. And tea will be beer where ye be no, a year the ma attorney general. Dear Jennifer. Or the Attorney General. Obibia including Ghana Police Service. They prosecute for the Attorney General. say what I say anyom nko I mean say yoko ekoye bia say tumi ni bi na wo mo de ye adwuma say bia na fo koye bia enam kwa mo say NIB rather wo mo koye bia no so no ya ton ge na tumi no a won na boko adu bi na ya poni kakra mo na so de ye adwuma and do I me do we na ton ge na ka asem we prosecution me amage masom ye ne office na ye be ye o kan sa so won to me because me na we adwuma me o man yin ni ana me ma betena konyum ana man yin se na konyum na me ka sam betena ma dim say who di me ka sam first me ma betena so. So that 2 minute one. So speaker point was that one of the now one who say initially no, yan split the Attorney General from the Minister of Justice. Who's your neighbor? Yenchim, because Attorney General is a technical person. Technical in the sense that we're a lawyer, one the 2 for one the church when you're the yeah. It me both from okay we me share me no when we ya assembly am ho to koso yo we me share me no so the mama example kra ajapa de liba so aka madam kra akufu or try the opinion solidly about it na what the traban ba bia and so that is the Attorney General portion who do me die no so we share the ekobia exactly Attorney General portion now we are buying lawyer penin and say buying nim for whatever we are for can be an said media na odi ma buy na there's no the justice part no so we gina ho de ye atem I mean the prosecutorial part no say what I say and so ho ntina ono ni main point no say yen saade we abada table so bebre and bebre can say yen chesa office ni mo yenya the technical person obey buying 44 from ransom ho na yenya no sin chen the person may not necessarily even be a minister or any minister. There's nothing wrong with that. So what I say then you also get the Minister of Justice and so separate me antem na mo say ya bia wu ha na bia bu ha say ya credit special prosecutor credit ono de no hu say na ehu hia na mo say kiado koso temu a me antem no afa wo Attorney General na sorry wo special prosecutor I mean no wo Minister of Justice no ya titimo wie no wo Minister of Justice no wo na ha ba hwe ko de bo say me nyina so ade bia wonum say obi ya yamamra no na say man mura bi kira say we e bone e extortion e fraudulent e corruption related e de benefit now we have more instead say ka be creating different person be say wono nko ye I mean a different office and act as whatever. That was his opinion. Okay, see, and I think in a way,
but what do you think yourself? That office,
and no, I can remember. In a way, no, I think that recommendation is not bad because we call baby to say Nigeria, per their jurisprudence, no, all institutions like the Ghana version of Yoko, the EFCC, they are known to be special prosecutors because they are able to do some kind of prosecutions on or for the. On behalf of the state or for the Attorney General. So what I say. And let's not know as that. Now can split his office here, that be I can't want to remove. The technical person, the one doing the prosecution also.
And so they should be done. Okay, striking balance.
I mean, can back.
So by this, you're saying that the speaker is saying that OSP office on your bad but structured, no problem.
No, his main point was that office shouldn't have even come.
In the first place.
In the first place, split.
Because the main issue is that Attorney Minister of Justice.
Sir. I listen to him verbally. In fact, remember that meeting. You're splitting. Okay, you're saying you're sir. Can we win? Can we also critique the SP office?
That one need to be well spelled out. Now, for role, responsibility, like clear.
But since I've been there on Kwan to a come for, and that's why maybe I'm not going to be a man. Because not answer no speaker at that time.
So no opinion.
No opinion. I'm a yaguma. And the SP office number. It's a challenge is about one. I don't know the
if we have done what you know office can.
That is his opinion. But you see, what do we are using? No, we will say. You run one as a branch and the Juma D and as office name Mukran at the one. You might be no one might be so far and it's saying. You see, it is because Yanina Yanissan. Tini, Yanina Yanissan, in the sense, Obano, ya can't say, and as a man Peniano, not all times I didn't who can say. Or what the Catasana prayer, what humanity, and as a 170.
Bayama and Yakonompo.
Correct. I know can you go as a imposter who theatre said their chance at that time. Now, Poso Babanim be not over one. Now, we must about a Pesica and Yaho. These were all some of the commentaries that he made in shaping that idea and say corruption will not be the order of the day. Now, to enforce that position, or the side office member separately to come and handle corruption and corruption related activities. But
is he living up to expectation?
No.
See any summer.
Send the son in a mass and you don't know. But we are one version. Okay, Charles Dioka was here. Was saying, a nice video now show you now will be money scam. Was it another? No, you used to was it? No, was it false? Yeah, false. Okay, and that. There is a full video or there's a proper video or whatever.
John Famra.
But I was expecting to comment which portion of the who you're Army Air Force. Okay. So what I say? So that I mean I don't know which one is the full video or the actual video. He may know it
until we see.
We don't know
until we see.
It's on to make sure the Air Force now. What's not the actual video not the full video. Then we can strike the balance that okay I had a chance can't say a year wrong no. And Paul will maybe a wrong or what Charles is saying is also not true.
But it's also worrying that already another critical issue.
Yeah.
That this same lawyer who
Charles, I'm asking what is saying? Kisi?
Yeah. Who was with Anas discussing on matters or court, representing on Anas' interest. This is the same lawyer I also pursue a project for Anas.
Oh, I know the Omani. Yeah, you may and they crowd is our lawyer do. But my track was a doing now and you're appointing new persons as OSP. Hold on now. I better not know I would not answer chair no charge a NAS. And on this one less on this charge again. No, OSP.
And I'm saying that
and then OSP.
Yeah.
And then the question is he still following the matter? No.
That's the where
he will not he will still not be the person prosecuting the matter. He can't be the OSP and be the person defending NAS at the same time. No. The firm may be doing it. But you see, the firm is a different entity from the person.
No. Saying it's true. Facade, lifting the corporate veil.
Correct.
Thank you. Until you pakuno wa intention. As I said, na make catch all there. You pakuno loba tumohon. Also criminal.
That is the interview room.
Yes. No, no conduct. As I said, na make sure there. No. No obey OSP. Okay. Obey OSP. No. I mean, now some young can watch him there. Then Anas did something and I attacked Anas. I wrote about him. As I said, within 3 days on from the bra. But as I said, no conduct, no. And I'm saying that office was so personal there. Maybe I tell you because it's apple. You weapon can be over party one friend and bra. To I the commandant this a clay, say A level, sir.
But only you were declared wanted. What has come out of that?
Say what court still. As I said, declared wanted. On the make sure that no more do so. We can be professional in certain things. The firm is an artificial entity from the human beings in there. Atasa. But nipa no conduct on the make sure the nipa no conduct no ama OSP office no obiawa eden or kawansam because president open of farm matinami do mobile or farm matinami it was a novelty there. Obekweke you be from NDC no office to be a then matinami do left and then he came. Now or no lawyer and CC no obotu we are better on OSP no conduct as some number mine because say I mean to me ho na we na try there make sure that to may day I read meanings into your
okay behavior. Yes hold on
okay so
yanko mulamra
oh come na we na
quickly in fact we into na na say Kofi Ebru o man Kenya's number 1 ene Emma anafi hiewo abusuawo of Kenya's number 1 Eto Safro na otweda for the late honorable barrister Bafo Kwabena Century of Nimpo former minister of state first and third republic of Ghana Timon Shenso honorable barrister Bafo Kwabena Century ebekoso memendawe anopa no otwekop manyume no na otweda nti ewo Kanishi baby no the fee wo Kanishi behind a cocoa clinic nti yen share no so yekotai na no say Kofi Ebru o man in Kenya's number 1 ene mba ene hiewu abusua wa for region na bra yekodi na otweda for the late honorable barrister Bafo Kwabena Century yada laki eba for so as Arabia dan the cranko bia fakodan am wono ogomwa ogwakrom woniba Quantum Pony so from 0243 20 12 44 and 0277 46 58 55. So na yeah that kingdom yeah estate for so ase. Also the adan kra kama aba ekropon na ebri woni gye ho a eno so yebema number abefre. And I feel so New Kingdom ginseng power capsules in Memedro Strunko, Kingdom garlic bitters and the capsules, not tremendous capsules also. Badwam Mount CC Dimo Ewi Payo. Fred 1 was 053 614 9961 and 030 39 987. Now that Samara Limited as a company limited as one day Kel 360 toothpaste. Kel Case toothpaste and a Kel Chaco toothpaste. So for Samara Company Limited on 059 3809 227. It's another quality product from Samara Company Limited. There are two. I had to say that NDC for LGBTQ Billy personal power. I've been monitoring and right now, for instance. It's getting interesting.
Yeah. Mra, and NDC for Mpo, and as I'm Kwampo can I say funny personal, but I was a Ghana in Bia. We are Ghana near winning your money and your mamre now, your traditions. And you be BID as a Ghanaian, and no hunty would unya and G from who a Ghana in India. As some man wants to be your my dear, as low soon Yakakra. So
we should not criminalize sex toys, no.
What does she mean? Is she using one?
Per the statement now.
I'm asking a question. What does she mean? As I'm saying that we should not do this. Why? Or say it will inadvertently affect heterosexual couples who use sex toys to enhance their sexual life. Oh. Heterosexuals are more or less Bemane Oba or Mawari. Do you need sex toy? Do you know the effect of sex toy? Then there be alcohol.
That's all.
The dangerous. Mention who said, "Quantum account." My Jan. I don't pray. There be no way to trust. Do I want the opposite? I'm not even listening to him. See, come on, Benisa would Jim for so that quiet.
It's me and Kosu to be as a kind of quiet.
The very moment a woman or a lady gets used to sex toy,
our dear
so it is not even an avenue to even explore. That's the point I'm trying to make. That's why I'm telling you answer questions. No? It is not an avenue to explore at all. I mean, be tuned and used to your woman. So what I say? Be tuned and used and be used to your woman. That you are supposed to satisfy your woman, and the vice versa, she's also supposed to satisfy you. But it's a woman, I mean, an artificial item be a player one. Who are you then?
Well, then you shoot. I have a machine gun. Be my battery is 4. I have already battery shape. A power body now. I'll move you. As a old die. What was the guy that won't bear my dollar? I didn't it should not be. Yes,
as a point or time is coming up, your woman will prefer the sex toy to you. It's dangerous. So if it needs to be criminalized, I support the saying criminalizing.
Hold on, what you said, me and Pumpy.
Oh,
I'm saying, you say,
yeah, you know, I know when you have not able to have sex to
Daddy, BB no sir.
Some bit of practice, all my men and no profession, one shape of one.
BB no sir.
There was something called sex toy. So what I say, I don't know, yes, some bit of practice, move on. It's not the right thing to go with. I mean, I need somebody to call me and challenge me, say they make an answer. How on earth will you entertain sex toy instead of you having, you are having a boyfriend or you are married, but you would prefer to use sex toy to satisfy yourself?
Someone say global was civilization.
I didn't global.
Any modernization.
And when was modernization? Let's not entertain this. It's so wrong. I mean, it's so wrong. Some bit of fraction will say, who can't satisfy one. Now, who say, we need me, I want the entire ball bema.
Maybe at first the football was start football. So no was one and what nice what she boots. Anna.
Buza Charles Charles Mizu said the madam city. Oba professor madam in this sector.
And there sex education.
Well, it's a good question I'm asking. She said the madam city. So when now we are in the primary. What James Woody agent money na na agent na woody. Nobody can come. Oh my goodness. So the point I'm trying to make is, let's take it to a limit. Yeah. I mean, the reality is one. Sir, LGBT, deben say kill one day as a plus we need the that nonsense excuse me say will not be entertaining. There is also
woman chance cry.
Come on.
America
we don't need it. The world can evolve to whatever level. This country called Ghana, Yampe. President Mama Kasim was here, Omani, Fasan, you were Christians, you were traditionalists, you were Muslims. None of them. And we all belong to one of this group. Who free Christian side never, who free Muslim side never, who free traditional side never. So, but everyone, who are you to go and bring it to them? I mean, why should we even spend time to even be discussing this matter? And you see,
sex toys as no actually was saying. Do you know how sex toys has helped some of us?
Yeah. You see, that is a challenge. So such a person saying this, if that person is a woman, the meaning is that she is never going to go for anything called man. Because to her, it's all about sex toy. To know about the hawk of us at the time,
okay, so let me play the devil's advocate.
Okay.
That's what I really say. Maybe sometimes we will not.
You see, so
okay, so you must say, and what be home my son for Nana. The I say, and more woman. Wow, what you say?
Why there? Assembly can know.
And this space be the whole.
Or this space be done to Lord.
Yeah, the pumpy, I'm an abros. Yeah, the name of the values and whatever. What was a critical? No, respected, but you can't say there should be certain loose ends. For instance, and okay, you know.
When you accident, why paralyzed?
Charlie.
Okay, so for me,
there should be a certain
you know that to every rule there's an exception. Okay, as American, first of all, academia, used to be an that one.
No, I'm not saying it. I was just asking the question.
I said the architect, the sanitary,
no, it's a question that I put. Do you use one? Okay, you don't. You will not use one because you are married.
Okay,
is that what I say?
But before I make submission, me an agent, no. Oh yeah, 18 na.
But wrap up on the more serious matter.
Okay, so on the serious note, first of all, like I said, let's play the devil's advocate. Ghana, on the young tradition, first of all, for me, so our past law, I think they need to come together. This is an issue on the MPP NDC.
Yeah.
Because Ubutuma Tobia, and I mean, two examples for myself, and I'll explain it to you. Into a dear Shalom, because sex toys as American, I don't know how they are going to conclude it, but make a no, I paralyzed cry. So are you going to say that okay, me and what's for better for worse? Into me, being fanana. So we need to look at it. So they need to actually delve into the law. Now, Bible knows the beginning of the wonder, mobile. See that one, I am for it. Your customs, your tradition, your Biblia, Islam, religion, now, why can't the system pray into it? Into them law no me Jesus there, so about to prevent it or ye. But I'll use myself as an example because I'm sure the two parties must come together and make sure that the law is serving this country. Because we go to my Oba, we go to my Ubia, and me, time I'm more Coventry investing. No, the mutual rent. The bringing out the mutual rent now, Mr. Don Lunumbe. You want to catch him there. Obey and check. Opedoma, Minian, Kufubi, Majuman. And so I was excited about it, Juman. Then later on, I don't know, Martin BMW near prayer Quaba. Later on, also, your holiday of France, Sana, or a gay. I didn't know. In such a rent, no, more in. To Adam body cage. But what's more France, where they're going to drag you? Mamma can answer, sir. Into moving on much moon. Hey, Martina, next time now, also to finish your moon nature. Even here in Ghana.
In fact, me, I'm a lecturer of family law and law of evidence. Our Coventry University. Thank
you. Into what that but on no prem when there some minimum send them for Abu Sabazi atasa no not or canon sama. Then 1994 we A levels 93 and the A levels a national service now then that time my was Switzerland na dan suman Dr. Bichemod na guys be fi Switzerland aboy too into young boys when they yakọ buy ekọ home style na they chill na they no obey into obey year bon come was with Switzerland na mu twon bell na so Mammy was Switzerland. Oh, damn, no one bon. So later on, no one turn some. There must be Tribune Club. Now you're quite the man. Later on, what's what young Kofi, young coach. No, I was going to go into Mammy, not turning son, no from. Those mean you're not seeing your if you Switzerland, Ben, and Mammy or her, they did into you because walk on word about man bomb or Nana. The Mammy stab Dabby. We're gay at that time, no, not the word gay, no, be
popular like this.
To homosexuality. No, so what pedo knew that did. I physically I started vomiting. Atasa and sana my uncle go before aggressive, so before she shama now but then be for boys. What's the member saying call? For 3 days in Michefie no muntu mun pay pado. Atasa. So at that age I was about 21 years old. Mama kanewa. So putting myself in that situation, young boys who have a CCN, it can happen to them. It can happen to young girls, Nazi. So I believe them law see bar or irrespective of they be a development partners, Nazi. Yes, it's good, but we have our laws.
Okay.
It's your laws in and the law be no soon. Echo England, one laws or managed from Church of England and Amoba. Hence, you adopt towards them, but your traditions and your customary law. But that's into young society, the way you're building, I believe that for me, no, them as on you.
Okay, Charles Bisu, so grateful. Camera, sound, lighting, set designers, drivers, makeup artists, the team leader, Kofi Ampedo Welbeck, Medasi.
And that's one gang as a meme was more
and they all kind of say in Tematamaso. In Tematamaso.
Open the open.
Yeah, that's the other. Thank you.